Okie dokie. What up, squad? Right. Let's get this all going. Let's get us all set up. So, welcome. Welcome back after the holidays. Nice to see everyone. Let's take a look at the chat. Morning. Good morning.
Maxi boy.
What up? Morning, brother. How's Finny boy?
What's going on? I'm at the airport.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Benny. You know Benny Mac?
Yeah.
I'm
Nah.
on my way to his house.
That's gonna be some scary ass times you fuckers together. Oh.
Get some bricks. I hate flying.
Dear.
Yeah, it's fucked.
Oh god.
Had about 7 beers. Calm me down.
Oh, it'll be good. Hopefully not like my Poland flight.
Oh,
Fuck.
boys. Don't tell me, you prick. Alright, good luck, boys. Peace.
See you later, brother. Welcome everyone. So we do have news right now in 5 minutes time for GBP, which is going to be interesting. So let that sink in. How was your hauls? Very nice. Yeah, I'm pretty tanned, to be honest. You can't really see it with this camera because the lighting's off, but yeah, I'm pretty tanned. Let's take a look over here. So yeah, we'll see what we can do today. And there was beautiful trades taken the whole of last week, which was nice to see. I took a lot of gold trades actually. And yeah, we'll get started. So let's do some analysis over here. 1 second, let's just ask more questions. See if everyone's filled in. Yeah, we have. Okay, so let's take a look at GJ, right? Let me just take a look at the weekly because we're halfway through this week and we haven't really done much, right? We've kind of rejected the highs. And we've continued down. Okay, so for me on the overall range on GJ, the weekly time frame is between these two levels right here. We've came to the highs again for the second time, which is this time, and we've rejected it. It's like a double top, right? So looking like we're overall bearish this week. Morning. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. So the daily time frame is bullish right now. We had a couple of bearish candles in the past 2 days, rejecting what level is that? 163,600. Very nice. Take a look over here. So this is the daily flip. 4-hour flip is here. So let me just put this on. Let me just take a look at the daily time frame again. So if we do flip this camera, maybe break past 162.490, it's a big daily support. That would be quite nice to continue further to 162. That'd be rather nice. Let's take a look at the 4 hour as well. So 4 hours just goes bullish. So as I always say, let me just put this on over here. As I always say, the higher time frames right now, the daily time frame is bullish. And the 4 hour time frame is bearish right now, and we're in the middle of our little range over here. If you take a look at the lower time frames, we're probably going to be ranging in that area. So let's take a look at the hourly, okay? So hourly closed bearish. We haven't closed bearish below 163, so this could be an area that I could make some support on. Let's take a look at the 30 minute and the 15. So you can start to see right now on the 30 minute you'd have your support probably here, like this. However, if you jot it down to the 15, it's a little bit choppier, right? So this is current resistance at 163,280. If we break above there, then we should fill this range, right? We should fill this range. It's not really the cleanest range, but it's still a nice range, right? Because it's 28 pips. So this distance here is worth it, right? 22 pips to the highs. That's okay. So buys above 163,285 would be nice. And taking a look at sells, well, we've got an area. Let me just move over here. We have supports here. We have resistance here. We've got support there. So you can see that the next kind of level is going to be over here. probably around here, I'd probably be happy with taking sells, okay? Because if you have it up here, then you've still got supports there, and you still got this support. I'd rather have it on the lowest point, which is probably here, right? What's that indicator? That indicator is Asian range. So yeah, sells below 162,800 would be rather nice. Let me just move this over here. So news is coming out right now. Oh, it's a rocket. It's a rocket.
Hey, Maxie, welcome back, man.
Morning, my man.
How was Spain?
That was nice, man. It was good.
Awesome
It's
stuff.
gorgeous. Man. I heard you've been killing it, brother.
Oh, I had an amazing 2 weeks, man. Yeah. Like at some point, I'm like this, like I'm waiting for like the FBI or something to like knock on my front door. No, it's been good, man. It's been good.
Yeah, nice. Deserve it, man. You've been working hard.
No,
Been
thanks,
working hard. Yeah, boy.
Yo, this news.
Yeah, it's interesting. Let's take a look at what the actual news came out. Yeah, so better than expected on them one. Yeah, all better than expected.
Well, that just flipped to 4 hour now
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
and broke the highs. Holy shit.
Yep. Oh yes. We'll see what the score is. Oh wow, look at that retrace.
My God.
Oh my God. So I mean, yeah, we could look for buys with 163,280. However, we already filled this range. It's probably best to wait for above a 500, I think, and that would go and coincide with this as well. Yeah. Yeah.
I know you don't look at stuff like that, but it's retesting order block as well now to go down again. So that's why it's like struggling to go up.
Where's the order block? What price is that?
On the 1 hour, if you go on the 1 hour, then it starts at 163,300 and ends at 163,550.
Yeah. Oh yes, I'm back on Patel. Let's take a look at the chat. Oh my God, GJ. 150 people.
Morning all.
Morning, Vincent. How's
Had a
Vincent
good
been
holiday.
doing?
I'm taking it slow because it's my last week. Today and tomorrow I'm trading, and then I'm taking a week, maybe 2 or 3 weeks off.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Summer holidays with the kids.
Oh, wow.
Stuff
Man,
to do before winter.
Yep. That is true for you guys before you go back into hibernation.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, man, I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed that holiday so much. I was like, oh, fuck, I could literally do this. Like, I could literally go on holiday every week. Might just go, Sash and Brian, do you want to run this so I can just go on holiday every week? Like,
When is your next holiday, Max?
I literally could go on holiday every fucking week. Like,
Yeah.
it was so nice, man. It's the weather, bro. I'm sitting there, I'm fucking vibing literally all day. Oh, man. It's bloody gorgeous. It's very, very nice. Yeah, I read that book. I've never fucking read a book in my life, so that was quite nice, really. That was a good ass book, though, man. It was a very, very intricate book. Probably like psychology. It was sick.
What was the book called?
It was called what did I say? It was called is it Working with Idiots? Let me just take a look.
Working with Idiots.
Yeah, this book, Surrounded by Idiots. This is it. Surrounded by Idiots. It's fucking great. It's so good. So basically, it puts you in. Well, it has 4 sections, right? 4 sections of how you react as people, right? And then you're a part of 2 of them. So for me, I was a part of 2 colors. So for me, I was a red and a yellow. I'm very much a yellow. I've got a couple red tendencies, but I'm mostly a yellow. You'll know what I mean when you read the book, but like, and then it basically teaches you how to react and how to deal with other colors. So red is full on alpha, very much you know, a pain in the ass to work with. All he wants is goals. He doesn't really care about the process as long as it gets done. He wants things done quickly, very motivated. And you know, green is someone who's very laid back and, you know, it kind of just goes with the flow. Doesn't really want any, you know, arguments or whatever, but red does. So learns how to like deal with all them. It's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
You didn't get any funny looks chilling on the beach reading books surrounded by idiots.
I was like, what the fuck, man?
Just look over. Oh, fuck, we need to.
Yeah. Let's take a look here. Buys with 163,540, clean range to the left, second session time for a 30 closure. Yep, beautiful. Sells below 162,875. Yep, I also agree with that. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Nice and simple, right? So we'll see how GJ does. Let this news sink in first. Let's take a look at Goldie. Oh shit, we are bearish, man. Fuck. We are very, very bearish. Yeah, so the trades that I took on holiday were pretty much... I was testing out Don's strat. So I literally wasn't looking at a stream and I was going for the trades that I think he would have taken. And I pretty much got them bang on. Which was nice. And, you know, so what I realized was that I think I took like 4 trades, right? 4 trades. I won every single one of them. And I got always at least 10 pips. And my average stop was probably like 22. So it's like 1 to 0.5, but I've got a 100% win rate, and it's so, you know, that's a good thing about it. So it's a good thing to add to the squad, to be honest with you. It's very simple. It's a nice way of trading. So let's take a look then. The daily time frame on Goldie is bearish. Let's take a look to the left hand side. I mean, let me just see the weekly. Actually, 1 second. So the weekly's actually filled this wick, which is what I was looking at, which is interesting. So right now, to be honest with you, if I was looking at the weekly time frame, I'd have some certain concerns for sells right now, because we're coming to a level where it's rejected before. We also have a big ass support in these areas with these wicks, and these are weekly time frames. You know, the higher the time frame, the stronger the supports, right? So, because it has more time in the candle, it has more time to break its lows. If it can't do that, then it is a big, big, big support. Daily time frame. 1 second, let me just turn this down a little bit over here. Daily time frame, we look to the left. Yeah, we're right at this support. Can you see? So, I mean, you know, if it does break it, it's going to break it nice, but you'd rather wait for some big ass closures, because, you know, if it's a daily support, man, it can hold pretty strong. And normally, what time of the day is the best day to break the daily support? Someone tell me in Zoom. What's the best time you'd really be looking for this?
FOREX open.
Yeah, OMEX open, NY open, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I think that's probably going to be the easiest. In London, oh, it's like, could, but it mainly needs some some NY volume, right? So take a look at the low. Haven't?
Yeah, London is more kick you in the ass, fake out, take your money, and then laugh at you.
Agreed.
And then do the move in New York.
Yeah. Oh yes. So you can see, like, here on the 15-minute time frame, the support is 1724. 1724. But yeah, I would be a little bit cautious. I mean, if you can get a nice strong candle bearish closure in these areas, I'd wait further down though, man. I wouldn't try and get in straight away, because as Vince said there, London is known, especially on gold, to fake out quite a lot. So if breaking of the 4-hour lows would be interesting, of previous 4-hour lows, but it's got a long way to go right now. 30-minute time is not really doing much. It's very small body candles, big wick showing that it's got a little indecision. So yeah, NY, yeah, good lad, Ryan. So yeah, for buys, where would you potentially want buys? Well, for me, if I was looking at resistance and support, resistance. So you can see, you've guessed it. this is going to be the next level. Oh, where would I want it? I'd probably want it above, like here. This should probably make it a little bit easier. And if we do break above 1729, we are going to continue. 1 second, let me just move this. We are going to continue potentially. Well, a halfway point would be 1731. Yeah, but 1732 would probably be pretty good. Why did I pick that point instead of this one? Well, because there's a big support here, support there. So that's probably nice. I mean, we could actually use here. 1731 would be the first, and then 1733 would be the second. Yeah.
It's also CPI, core CPI numbers in the afternoon, so it will take a long time for gold to actually do something.
Agreed. Thoughts on GJ monthly flips? If it does flip, rest of the month could be just buys. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, for sure. Hasn't broken the low of the previous. If it flips here at 165, yeah, that'll be pretty good, man. That'd be nice to continue to fill that previous monthly wick for sure. So look like this news came out, very, very positive news, but looks like we haven't actually gained traction really to continue bullish, so we've got to wait a little longer over here. We gotta wait a little longer. So yeah, that's Goldie for me. I think buys above here would be nice. Let me just write this on. $1728.87. Nice. And yeah, I mean, let me just scroll all the way to the left on the 15. How far is it away? Is it really far away, or can I actually see this? Yeah, I think it's really far away. I'm just seeing if there's any kerfuffle, because I mean, if you do get a 15 closure, it's the only 15 that's closed, then damn. But I think it's going to be interesting to break it, to be honest. It's going to be interesting. Let's take a look at the 5 minute, how the 5 minutes are kind of set up. So for the 5 minute, we've got a nice wick over here, we've got a nice wick over here. So this is probably the trend line that it needs to break first. But as I said again, you know, if you're getting a closure here at 1724, you're selling right into big support. Like, fuck, that's going to be very, very scary, to be honest with you. So, yeah. That's going to be a little bit scary. Oh, wow. GJ's retrace. So, Asian highs. We came and tapped the Asian highs from that little news push, and looking like we could not continue further. So, sells maybe on the play later on, okay? But right now, there's nothing too much that I see. What do you think, Sash? Is Brian in this building? Is Brian having a sleep? Brian's having a rest.
Somewhere.
I'm here.
Are you?
I'm here.
I'm waiting for the 15 close to see what we get from anything.
Yeah.
I'm having a look at some of the pairs, just chilling.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Let's take a look at EJ then. So, EJ, the daily time frames closed bearish, kind of goes bearish below this resistance as well. So, daily time frame on EJ probably looks the best out of all of them. Let me just look at that daily again. Yeah, for sure. The daily looks the best to continue down over here, to at least fill this wick to the left. 136,800. Let me just go to all this crap. So, let me just add this on. Let me just take a look at the stream. AJ sells if we break 92.6. Okay, I'll take a look in a second. Okay, so the daily time frame is bullish right now. It's made its top wick, which is quite nice. Oh, the 4 hour looks like shit. Let's just take a look at the daily. Yeah, it's made a top wick. Okay, that's great. And also this 4 hour has a big level of support, right? Can you see it again? Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, so we're bearish right now, and it looks like we are in a range, right? You can see pretty easily we're in a range, right? Just box it out from here to here. Pretty obvious. Let's take a look at the hourly time frames. Yeah, hourly, 30 minute, 15 is actually coming down over here. Ooh, if it breaks that 30 minute low, it could be quite nice to continue. However, this range isn't the nicest, to be honest. There's a lot of rejection wicks here. It's not really the nicest area, to be honest. And we know that's a big level of support it's probably coming to, which is not even 10 pips away. Well, it's like 12 pips away right now if you got in, but it's a big level of support. So I would want to probably clear this whole area, to be honest with you, like below here, 137, because that is a psychological level as well. So if I was looking for EJ, we can see there's resistance. Resistance is here, which seems to be holding pretty well, to be honest. It's a treble top. Holy shit. And the support over here is down at 137.057. So I think sells below here could be pretty reasonable, to be honest. 137.063. Make this a little bit larger. Yeah, sells below there would be quite nice, I think. And buys above. So pretty self-explanatory for EJ over here. Let me just change this. Yep. So there we go. Very nice. We've got our little ranges over here. Now we just wait. What are we trading? We are trading anything you'd like. The 5. Ooh. Yeah, so I was saying with these sells on gold, man, you know, they could work out, but fuck, man, the support is pretty heavy. Pretty heavy at that area. I'd rather wait until NY to get that nice drive, to be honest with you. You see there, just retraced. Yeah, I'm not gonna play with this zone, I don't think. Still look at GJ. Did GJ just push down there? Okay, 15 closed bullish. But this camera hasn't closed above 300, hasn't closed above 557, so we're okay, we're okay. You look very dark. Is it a tan or is it the camera? I think it's both. Because I've moved my setup, the light's there, so I need to get like a light like above, like there. But I also am very dark, yeah. It got to a point where I would say the last 3 days of the holiday, I was getting spoken to in Spanish, I'd say 100 times more than I was at the start.
Classic. Brilliant.
I was like, I'm not fucking Spanish, for fuck's sake. Literally, like, all the shops and stuff, they go straight up to me and speak Spanish. I'm like, bro, please stop. But then we went to a water park, and I shit you not, I looked like every other fucking Spanish geezer there, like. I think I remember like speaking to my Elastic in English, and they'd be looking at me like, what the fuck? This guy's fucking English. Some people have bigger eyebrows than me. I was like, holy fuck.
Big handlebars.
Me, yeah, some big fucking slugs. Right, we'll take a look at AJ as well, but interesting for the Goldie coming down. When can I scroll to the left of this? This is yeah. This is what I was gonna scroll in a 50-minute time frame all the way over there. Fuck that. Let me just get a little bit up over here. So, I mean, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see this. Look at the hourly time frame. If there's anything we have to be worried about. Let me just have this on over here. Yeah, man, I'm not playing with that. Big support over here held in September, and I think that is pretty much where we're at right now. Also, guys, I do warn you, if market conditions are ass, it's because I came back on holiday. So if anyone wants to buy me another ticket to any holiday destination, I'll happily go. It was funny being on holiday though, because I was like, motherfucker, these charts are gonna be way too good, and I'm gonna be pissed I've missed all these fucking moves. I'm sitting there on my fucking sunbed bashing out these fucking trades. Like,
if the rest of this week is ass, I'm sending you an invoice.
I'm telling you. Literally. If there's absolutely no top wicks, there's no fucking entries, I'm telling you, it's that. I've got a curse on me. It was so funny that literally the first motherfucking day that I went, you got a top wick, you got a fucking deliciously sexy trade. I was like, oh my god. I told these fuckers. That's creased.
Jeez, let me guess, no trades today. Max is back. Wait, am I lying? No trades.
There's fuck all, look.
Man, get out of here.
Are you looking at gold, Jace?
I'm not. I just got onto the charts. Let me see.
Tells him get out.
What does it look like on the file?
Subtle.
I love that.
What does it look like on the 5? Go on the 5. Let me see. Goldie.
I looked back in September and there's a big ass support, so I want at least a closure below 17.23. Look at the hourly.
Yeah, needs a retrace, man. If it close, it just goes fine.
Well, 5 minute broke both below previous and closed. Yeah, it needs to retrace all the way back up first. To at least even look at it, boy.
Yeah. Oh well, we can't get them all.
We can try.
Yeah, we can
Jason,
try.
Jason,
Hey, Jason.
yeah. I heard you took some trades, Jace.
Nah, fuck, bro. Yesterday I made like 19%, man.
Oh my god. Really?
Fucks.
On one trade in 10 pips.
I
I'm joking. That's what we thought initially. It wasn't that bad.
yeah, but also, like, if I look at, I'm sure Roche makes 50% a day.
Roche, what time frame do you use the most?
I like the 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Also, he took one trade, and that was like 10%. Right, Roche? The AJ.
Oh, you held it on.
It was
Yeah,
GJ,
was it?
wasn't it?
I think it was yesterday.
Yeah, it was yesterday. So that was just one trade
That was
apart from
AJ.
the other 10 he took.
Has anyone been noticing about GJ and your runners for untested areas? Because I saw one that people held on. I think Finn and Michael held it on.
Finn and Michael, yeah.
And I saw it, and I was like, there was an untested area, bro. You got to take that fucking position off, or you got to take some at least. I think that's what I'm gonna focus on more on that, to be honest with you. Because if there's an untested area, we know it's gonna fucking tap it most times. So, you know, take that shit off. Whereas if the untested area is below your entry, then shit, man. You could be looking good.
Yeah, when untesteds are below your entry, then you're good.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. To be, because like runners is such a hard thing. I think that people kind of get worked up on because it's so relative, man. You just gotta, you gotta think of how far it's gonna push without taking any off.
Yeah.
But it's like if you've actually got a structure of you know what, there's an untested area where my entry is. This is probably not gonna work out, and I'm up 12 pips. Let's just take this off.
Yeah.
So be a bit more methodical in it.
Yeah, you never know how far a runner's really actually gonna sprint. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Exactly.
So Max, I need to tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
So, for the fun of it, because we were talking with Finn and them, and I were talking about the funded accounts, and I thought I'm gonna buy a 100k FTMO account. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I got one. Took the AJ trade yesterday. Passed phase 1 on the first day.
That's mad. AJ trade. Let me take a look at what it was. Let's take a look.
It was I need to go find it again.
Max, we're not gonna come up. There's no one tested at the top.
What are you talking about?
Gold.
Yeah, I know, brother. I mean, that was. I just don't like it. We were fucking massive.
Just go to the 5 again. I just charted it up now, so check here. Retest there.
Yeah.
The ready.
Stop loss above.
So there's nothing untested. So that is why we're going. So we retested this area now. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. So if you got in,
5 minutes too late.
if you got in there, yeah, you're up like 12 pips. You fucking take some profits and see if this thing nuts.
Nah, it will not, man.
No, we'll see. We'll see.
Anyway. Okay, yeah, we don't know. Since you're back, we don't know how market's gonna react.
That's what I said, bro. I said literally, if you get no fucking nice closures here, you know why? Send me back on holiday. Then I'll go speak to the trading gods. I was actually.
Oh my God, Goldie! Ah, that was a nice one, man.
Yeah. Where was it, AJ? I love 745 candles that close bearish like that. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'd be balls deep in that motherfucker. How much is on the break of the low? Ah! Yeah. I think
I
that
took
was my trade.
AJ. I used an order block entry, so I took AJ at 190, 92, 650.
Yeah, that's it, Max.
Yeah.
That looks like it. I can remember something like that.
Wait, 650?
Yeah, literally
Yeah.
only.
What? Wait, that's
Remember
not
that
even
looks
still
good.
600.
No, 650.
You get up fucking there, Asian highs?
Yeah, so if you go on the 30-minute, you'll see the order block thing there. There to the left.
Yeah.
There to the left where... No? Other left?
Oh, there.
Yeah. So no, but
Okay.
it's right
Okay.
to that. Yeah. So I got in there and then we got that 50 pip drop right there. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Very nice. Let's look at EJ. Very nice. So let's take a look at AGA. Daily time, it looks like it's in a bit of a range. From here to here. A little bit of consolidation going on AJ. Has there been nice trades in AJ this week that have been going?
That wasn't bad.
Yeah.
But isn't it closing back in the range now on the 50?
Yeah. Let me just take a look at the FOREX. The FOREX goes bullish back in the zone. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly's got some resistance. It's formed. It's coming back to 92. 600. Let's see where this closes in the next 30-minute candle over here. Let's look at the 15. So on the 15-minute time frame, let's see that this is a big level of support, which we actually have closed below on the 15 already. Let's look at the 30 again. Yeah, 50-minute time frame support at 92.233, which would be filling up the whole Asian zone. Yeah, I have to see on this 30 because this could be a level of where it could make some support above 92.626 as well. Let's take a look over here. Did you rearrange your room, Max? Yeah, I've moved it so I'm not getting flashbanged by the fucking sun every morning. But now I've got another issue where my camera looks like shit because the sun's there, not behind me. So yeah, I've got to buy a light now.
You get those nice like LED bar lights that go on top of your PC screen.
Oh yeah.
They look pretty sleek, man. Instead of buying like a TikTok ring light or something, you know what I mean?
That's true. Oh yeah, I can get. And it's Amazon Day as well, mate. I spent so much money on Amazon yesterday.
Really?
Everything is cheap. All my mouses and fucking TVs. If you want my TV that I bought, that motherfucker's like 300 quid now, 200 quid.
What?
Yeah, like it's Amazon Day is next level, mate. The Baby Yoda Lego thing, it's like 30 quid.
Yeah.
I'm getting that motherfucker.
How much?
I think it was like 30 quid. Let me take a look.
What the fuck?
Look
Yeah, it's like $2.5 grand.
Let's take a look. Baby Yoda Lego. 43 quid. Yeah, 43.
Yeah, man, that's dirt cheap. Like I said, it says $2.5 grand.
Oh, mate, I fucking love it. I might get a Darth Vader Lego helmet as well, one of these things with Darth Vader on. Let's take a look at it.
My wife wants to get that flower bouquet. I was like, "Are you fuck?" I said, "Shut your mouth."
That is funny. That. Oh, look at that one. Is that real? Oh no, it's not. It's bricks max. Yeah, I might get that. How big is that one? Oh, I don't want a fucking mini one. Oh, it's not that mini. Fuck me, it's huge.
You've seen that big starship, that big UFO,
yeah,
like the size of a room.
Yeah, man. Like a big meaty one. I like. I like it a lot. So yeah, we'll see. Looking like 50-minute time. GJ's gonna close bullish. Sorry, in 18 seconds time, we're gonna close bullish above. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame now. 30 is gonna close above. Hourly's pushing up. Hourly still has no bottom wick. I don't know if I like playing with this range, especially how we know it's a little bit of a order block as well. So I'm probably gonna wait. I think for 575. Look at the 5 minute.
Yo, Maxi. Elohe, you know Elohe, the guy that's a bit crazy. Man, that man, nice gold colas of fire. Hey. Yo, I think gold 1723. Man, that shit hit 1723.
Yeah, but whether you get an entry, that's the thing.
Yeah.
So even the previous time when he had a call out for gold, man, gold hit that area to the poop. Crazy. I would like to know what's going on in his mind.
Well,
that's one of the because it's got like a remote, right?
Yeah, that's sick. That's sleek. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's very nice. Get one from Ben Q. I'll take a look, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna get one.
Yeah.
You see the FTMO guy that's made over 1 million, real or bait? Do you think? I have no idea. I don't think they would lie about it, to be honest with you. I don't think they can lie about it. But amazing. How big was his account?
Scott was talking about it. He might know, like.
Yeah.
It was 400k.
400k kind of in the middle. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad.
That was up like 300%, something like that. 200 and something percent up.
Well, it's compounded, right? So he's probably changed his lots. Yeah. So it's compounded. So you know, it's actually realistic. I mean, if you look at the compounding that we've done, so this since like, well, when I started it, which was fucking April, I would be up 87 grand from a 100k account. So I've nearly doubled it, and that's only the 3 months. So you know, as long as you're compounding your lots and etc, it does come pretty quick if you can be consistent. But very nice, man. Beautiful. I like a lot. So yeah, I think we're looking pretty good over here. I'm just waiting for my buys above. I think that can be pretty good. Let's look at the 4 hour, how that would be. And the hourly, yeah. I don't really want to play in this hourly range, just from here to here. It's 22 pips, so it's worth it. You know, you could potentially get it, but I think it's. I'm probably gonna wait a little higher. That 5 minute bullish could have been okay, but I'm just gonna wait a little higher over here to 536. 536. If you guys have any more questions, make sure to ask them in. I was actually looking to find out what moves AJ so much during the London session. I saw that it's because it is the close of AUD JPY banks. That makes sense to me. Ah, yeah, probably. That probably makes sense, to be honest. Oh, I got my Credit Karma anniversary. Nice. Oh, nice. Do you get a little 5 minute entry there, Brian, or not?
No, I was worried about that quick rejection, right?
Yeah.
Me too. I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking about it. I was actually looking at.
I was scared.
15. So if you check the 15, like closure above, perfect retest. Ah, tasty. I was gonna get in on the retest, but stop loss above was a bit.
Tom said he got it. Tom said he got it.
Nice, Tommy boy. Where was your stops? Previous candle or on this low?
He probably just made it 10 pips, man. And then
Yeah, that retest was pretty sexy, to be honest.
I got 12 pips there.
So let's go, because the things for me in this example is, right, did you get on the retest of the flip?
The flip.
Okay, so you got on the flip, and where was your stops?
probably previous
Current candle low.
Yeah, that's nice, because it's also
Yeah, but it'll be on the
retest as well,
5
right?
next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I suppose use previous candle. Yeah, 5. That would make more sense.
Yeah.
That's good.
I was eyeing the retest.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Retest could have worked. If that was like 12 pips, I'd be balls deep in that.
Nah, but I was looking at it on the 5 minutes. So I used the 5-minute previous candle.
No, that's not, why do you say it's much then? It's a lot. It's not a lot. It's fucking 7
That's
pips.
done.
But that week to the left.
Oh,
No, we just need to close above this zone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you can add another.
So you can add another.
Of course.
Obviously.
I'm risk free on the first one. Already closed partials. Why not add another one?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly, man. Adam all. Great job on 87k. Is this a 100k account, a funded account? Nope. It's my own money.
Ooh, we're flying.
Yeah, boy, it's looking good.
So good.
Look at
So
Goldie
good.
boy. Didn't think I was gonna break it today in London yet. EG should do the same next 15 or 30. Yeah. So I mean, which one's cleaner?
Oh,
Look at the 15. They're both not bad, to be honest. This zone is huge. 57 pips. Yeah, that's not bad at all. So yeah, we'll take a look. We'll see. Oh, Tommy boy.
wait, man.
5-minute support. Oh god, tasty.
Nice.
GJ's flying.
We're all sending
Yeah,
in
it's
shots. I
gone.
sent mine too.
GJ's gone. 26 pips.
Oh, Vince, nice.
1 minute fake out. Back into the order block. Made a doji. Then it made a bullish
Bullish.
engulfing. Entered on the next one. Aiming for the highs.
Nice, that's gonna work pretty nicely, I think. Very nice. You can check gold. Yep, Goldie has come back in the zone, like we expected, because it is a big level of support, right? Huge. Normally needs NY to break it.
When it reaches my take profit, I'm gonna see and just sell it back down.
Oh, you in a gold bar, Vincent?
Yeah, I didn't see my chart.
Oh no, I thought it was GJ. Sorry.
It's in the
Gold
Zoom.
buy. I can't find my fucking vape. I don't know where I've put it. I've lost it. I went to the shops yesterday, and man, I've had to meal prep everything, man. I fucking ate way too much on that holiday.
Meal.
Oh man,
You're on it.
I fucking ate so much.
Classic.
Oh man.
Too much of these, eh?
Every motherfucking night, I was fucking nearly being sick in my mouth because of that full.
Classic. That's what holidays for, man.
Yeah, but the issue I have, Ryan, is I do it normally. It's not change. I do that shit at home as well.
No, we can see.
Fuck's sake. Ooh. Vince takes some profit there.
Yeah.
Good lad. 4-hour flip, great level for it, especially in gold. He really respects them.
Yeah, it's also 1725.00. It's 00, so
Yeah.
scenario not to be trusted.
Yes, sir.
Close above it, so it should be good, but the top wick isn't looking interesting.
Mm.
But then again, it hasn't reached my upper zone, so I think it should be good.
Yeah.
Because if you look at yesterday, it really bounced between those two zones on my chart.
Yeah.
And it's been in this zone now for 2 or 3 days now.
I need to watch actually. Did anyone watch what was it called? Capital Hungary's video last night. I watched it on the plane, so I couldn't really hear. But about someone asked why is gold going down when everything's going fucking around.
Yeah.
What did he say?
I didn't watch it.
I didn't watch it either, but I know it's because the Fed is lying to their teeth.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
the Fed is still saying there is not going to be a recession and that the inflation is under control and only momentarily. They claim the inflation is about 7 or 8%, but you have to double that to begin with. And they don't have it under control because the first quarter there was shrinkage of the economy and the second quarter is shrinking again. And that is the basis of
that's literally what a recession
but they don't
is.
they don't want to say it.
No, of course they don't.
It's just that movie Big Short just replaying now.
Yeah.
Really? Watch it after summer, like maybe September or
all the banks saying
October,
no, there's nothing wrong,
go to
nothing.
Yeah, it's like a couple of months ago when the European stock market made a massive dip because someone in was it Saxo or was it Citi? It was Citibank London. They dumped a whole lot of shares in one go, and it spiked the whole European market, and it was a bit of a panic. And then they come on the news and they say, "Oh no, it's nothing to worry about. It's just someone made a little mistake and they sold everything in one go. It happens every once in a while." Yeah, look at 2006 or 2007, right before the market crashed in the whole goddamn world. There was a little mistake happened.
A few years ago, yes, maybe more like 7 years ago or something, or 6 years ago, the pound dollar had a flash crash as well overnight because someone typed in like 10 too much or too little or something like that. Some system, and it like tanked like
I think I saw that, yeah.
200 or 300 pips.
I remember seeing that.
I still don't believe it's accidental. I think they're just testing it or just they manipulate the market. So.
Yeah. True.
JP Morgan, they've been
doing
a couple of guys in jail for it. Yeah, and there's another trial going on right now because there's quite a lot of evidence that they have been manipulating the gold market. So what they do is they put out massive amounts of orders that they don't intend to trigger, and then the algorithms they pick up on it. So let's say they want a better price to buy, so they put on like massive sell orders. The algorithms pick up on it, and when they get activated, the bankers they delete like 90% of their orders and they wait for price to come down and then they buy it back up. But they don't put the orders on to the buy orders, they wait so they can buy at a better price. And that's in court right now.
Okay.
And they have been caught doing that with silver a couple of years ago, and they paid millions and millions and millions of dollars in fines to make sure the big fish didn't go to jail. And now it's the same on gold, so it'll be interesting.
New age Wolf of Wall Street.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just a different tactic.
Yeah. And it's the oldest, biggest bank in the world, so they know what they're doing, but they're gonna get caught anyway.
Yep.
Well, they probably have the best lawyers and stuff in town, so.
Oh yes.
Guys, what is the button for the magic key settings?
F7. No.
F7, okay.
Yeah.
Got a very old capital hungry up in here. Oh, Vincent. Oh, V-Man.
What is F7 again?
The magic keys like to put to change the parameters and stuff.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, mate, you lot don't know what I did yesterday. I was trying to set up my magic key, and I went in. I thought I'd done it at one lot. It was 10 lots, man. I proper shit myself.
Oh my god.
And I was on my funded. I thought I was going to lose it.
Oh my god.
It's all right. I made $600.
He's done that thing that we were talking about before, where you accidentally put a lot on and you're already in like deep shit. You're like, oh well, I'm already in it now. Let's just hope it goes like 1 pip in profit. It's like, down this motherfucker, and then it goes down 5 pips. You're like, oh shit.
I did. I went down 400. Proper shit myself, but it was a good buy. It was a good buy. It was GJ as well, so I knew what I was doing roughly. But yeah, proper shit myself, mate.
I'm liking EJ buys.
Yeah, I'm thinking that GJ, and also GJ is at a 500 level, which is not really.
Yeah, but 500 level's okay. If we get a closure above the 500 level, you should get it.
Yeah.
But I'm just scared with the volume now. We can just get that fake out, right? And then everyone just comes tumbling down.
A bit
Also,
biased there.
I don't want to
fake
start
out trader.
Yeah, yes, we had some fake out there. Fake outs and shampoo patterns, Max.
Shampoo, a lot of shampoo patterns. 20 pips in the previous lows. Do you look at the hourly? Oh, this hourly looks good to drive. If it comes and retests back up to here, this would be 15 pip stops. Interesting.
Yeah, I've just put a buy limit on that support there. Then you get 10 pips to the current low.
Wait, where? Here? 645.
No, yeah. On the support on the 15.
Yeah.
Put a buy limit there, then it's 10 pips to the current previous candle low.
Russia has balls of steel.
Yeah, it's just no fear. It's no fear.
GG hasn't closed above. Interesting. I don't like the way GJ's playing on the 5. Normally after I see these candles,
they start dying down, yeah.
And you get a boom.
Yeah, true story. True story.
Unless there's 5-minute rips, then you're probably going to be okay.
Like that.
Like that. 2 minutes left for this candle. EJ broke it yet? Dude.
It's got no rip.
So look at the 15. It's gonna rip. Ripperoo. So if you got in on the break of the previous high, it's 9 pips.
Mine's like just closed above. How come yours isn't closed above? Where did you?
Sorry, because I was looking at this.
Fair. Yeah, I just went to this current range on the highs.
Yeah.
It's the same. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's pretty. Would you looking at at getting on the buy at the highs? The only issue is the stop would be 10 pips.
Yeah, the stop. It's now there's hardly anything around, so it's too big.
If you got on the break of the highs at 600, yeah, you'd have a 10 pip stop on the current low, or 12 pip stop, something like that. Yeah, bro. Yeah. I call all the trades on the chat. Don't worry about it.
Thank goodness.
Not like these pussies.
EJ's leaving us.
Yeah.
I think on GJ maybe if we get a 30-minute close, it'll be the new hour candle as well.
I think that's what I've got to wait for. And that'd be beautiful, man. That'd be much cleaner. But I do know that this could continue. The thing that isn't really stressing me out is that the zone that we're coming to at least to 164 is fucking huge. So I'm kind of not already asked getting in early here. I'm not really asked. Max, what's your background colours?
Close above. I say if this hourly close above.
Yeah.
Nice trade.
Yep.
One of those ones where you hold.
Yeah, boy. If you get a nice little drive for sure. Look at Goldie boy. You still holding Vince, runner?
Yes.
Good lad. Good lad. Hey Max, are you a full-time trader? Yep, been full-time for nearly a year now. And the reason why I wasn't before a year is because I was at uni, so kind of more than a year to be honest. Oh, fucking hell, this room's so hot. It's like a fucking...
I am watching Goldie on the fire.
Look at the 15 now. Yeah.
Missing from Asian eyes.
Are you looking at it like breaking a trend line to the upside?
Yes, sir. I am looking at that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sirree. Max, GJ or AJ? Which one do you prefer? GJ by far. AJ if there's good opportunities, but sometimes it moves very slow. I like GJ because it moves so quick.
It's amazing how all the pairs moved again. AJ, EJ, GJ.
Yeah. Oh, if you have like a market, when it's on a day where they both move exactly the same, and you can have like a fucking magic keys on 3 of them, you're gonna win a lot of money or lose a lot of money. But motherfucker, if you catch that win, oh my god.
Jason, are you in?
I'm not in.
Are you waiting for the
We're way
retest?
too late anyway, so.
Yeah. That's our fault.
Vincent, don't make me swear. Don't make me cuss.
No, but there's another trend line that we just broke and closed above now.
Yeah.
Coming from the highs.
One sec.
No, from the... Probably could do it from there as well.
Just be quick on those keys if you take it, because...
Yeah, I'm going for Asian eyes, so...
Yeah, okay. Should be good, because there's an order block on the high.
I would have...
That I want to tap into and then close.
20 pips, so it's fine. I'm okay.
Oh, that's good. That's
Gucci.
That is Gucci. Was that daily resistance at 637? I think with loan and volume we're going to be okay with this, to be honest with you. But yeah, when we get there, for sure break even. I'd say if we can get there. But this zone is nice to come.
Is het te warm er binnen?
Is
het te warm? Je kan je tablet mee naar beneden.
Oh my god, I think Vincent. It looked like you were speaking English for a sec there. I was like, what the fuck? And I realized it wasn't. Missed you, bro. Trading was not the same without you. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Man, there's loads of streamers on here, man. You definitely got some nice trades. I'm sure DC got some nice trades and stuff. The boy. Recession fears commodity dropping, including oil. Everyone's going to bonds. Yeah, I've heard that. I heard the bonds is the thing. I saw that on Bloomberg. Interesting. Yeah, bonds are the way to go right now, apparently. Apparently. Sorry about that. It's okay, Vincent. Don't worry about it. Don't say sorry for that. Morning, Max. Could you please explain to us a bit about order blocks and how I identify them? I am not the guy to ask. I have no fucking idea. For me, it just looks like resistance on the left, but I know it's more intricate than that. So I think go on YouTube. There should be some videos about it. I don't really know about order blocks, to be honest. That's not how I learned. So if it's not you or Don, I'm asleep. Donny boy. Yeah, it was quite good. It was actually quite therapeutic on holiday for Don, because if you wanted to take Don's trade, all you had to do is look every half hour. So bro, I was vibing, had a little alarm set at half an hour, looked at my charts, took a trade. It's quite nice. You don't have to look at the chart all the time because you only trade in the 30-minute or hourly. Quite enjoyed it, to be honest. Quite enjoyed it. So let's take a look which one looks better. EJ. Ah, man, they all look pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. 15 on EJ didn't look nice. Too nice. It depends how these candles close, though, is my only issue. 15.
They've followed each other the whole week since you
Really?
They literally followed each other. We looked. I said if we just brush through them, like GJ, EJ, AJ, it all looked the same.
Yeah. Oh my god, you took that. Fucking nice. Nice. Sniper entries. Hey Max, I joined now. Are you in a trade on GJ or not? Nope, not yet. I'm waiting for a 30-minute close in 5 minutes time. In T-minus 5 minutes. Five minutes for closure. Then we'd get a nice hourly closure above. It would look good, look good. It would look rather nice. Five minutes just goes bullish. Again.
Yeah, it's small.
Yep. We're getting smaller and smaller. See if that drawn out candle before is gonna be correct. This one before here. I always hate seeing that on 5 minutes. I'm getting just smaller and smaller. There's only one bearish that corrects it.
That 5 minute that corrects it might be the 1 hour wick.
Yeah.
Wick, yeah.
Exactly. Oh yeah. What's your opinion on GU pair for London session? I have no opinion on it because I haven't back tested it, so no idea. But could be good, probably. Just gotta check it out, man. First of all, you gotta go through what pairs do you like? Why do you like certain pairs? Is it because it doesn't move that quick and you can just hold it for a long time, or is it because you know you like getting in quickly and they move very very nice in certain time frames, and then you have to go and judge that on what you want to do, right? For me, I like the way that Raja traded because he was on it for a couple hours and then he could just fuck off. He was in a trade for maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. He had a high win rate, so that's what kind of made me like going to his strategy and his charts. So it's just whatever you want with that, really. You could have a low win rate and a very very high RR if it works. Great, amazing. If that's what you want, right? That means you don't have to look at the charts that much. I mean, you kind of do all day, to be honest, but you don't have to maybe stare at it as hard, let's say. So yeah. DC is a sweaty buy, not gonna lie. Oh, is he? Sweaty GJ buy? Looks like it probably is quite sweaty right now. Maybe a little bit. Looks good on the hourly close, yeah. I like to get on the break of the high. After it makes a low wick would be preferred. Then we're gonna get a nice little helicopter. But let's still look at the 30. The 30's got to close above this area for me. So the buy stop would be like a 608. You prefer GJ over EJ now? Yeah, EJ doesn't look. I just don't like this really. I mean, it's okay. It's still the same, right? So right, let's just think this into. Yeah, EJ looks like it may close a little bit wicky as well, whereas GJ hasn't broken the highs. EJ has broken the previous highs.
Yeah.
So that's probably what I want over here. 1 hour resistance. Yeah. I know what you mean here. We'll see, man. If it doesn't really make a lower wick first and then break the high, then I'm probably not gonna get in. If it comes up with no lower wick, then we'll see. Oh, it's gonna do what I said. And if you're gonna put a buy spot at 608, what's your stop? Stops is gonna be on the current lower current lower hourly wick if it goes above. Oh, I don't think it's gonna close. Oh, I'm told you guys, I'm back off holidays. Know what it means? I'm telling you now. Classic.
Max, when is your next holiday?
Fucking tomorrow. Oh man. So, I mean, a 50-minute bearish closure below 163.261. Oh. If it breaks that high, is anyone gonna go for it?
Nah.
I think the best call.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, the 30
I think the
hasn't
best
closed.
call now is Mike coming down, testing, making support on 163.300, and then going up again.
Mm-hmm.
But that 1 hour looks enticing.
Ah!
I was gonna say celery 15. Is that what you guys classify as a celery?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at EJ go. Oh, it's doing the same as GJ. Okay.
Oh,
It's in there, my son.
Get in, my
I've been in
son.
this for the last half hour, man. Totally going against the grain. Catch me though, don't worry. Should have just shut my mouth. Get up there.
So if you got in on the break of that high, you got slipped, by the way, because I just saw the slippage. So you didn't get 12, you got about 7 pips. So that'd been break even. Oh my god. 1 minute. 1 second, I think my lass is calling me. It'll be 2 minutes.
That 5 minute closes like that, we're just gonna rock it up.
Yeah, with that support and then 15 celery.
Yeah, no, yeah, well, 115 celery. Oh,
Did EJ go as well? Did EJ go?
It did.
Yeah. Nice. So we just have to wait for a 15 closure now. We'll have to wait for a 15 closure. So if you got in on the celery, how much was your stop? 14 pips. But you did get slipped here. I saw it with my own eyes. So we've got to wait a little longer. GJ trolling. I told you guys, it's because I'm back. I'm genuinely serious. So how big is the zone still got? Yeah, so we're at that 15 res now. On EJ, yeah, GJ looks nice.
It is 750, that res.
750.
It's literally almost wicked at 750.
Markets are moving, are you? Should have stayed on halls, mate.
moving to Spain.
Mate, I'm gonna move to fucking Spain, yeah. I didn't know how poor that country was, man. I was like talking to my girlfriend about it, and I thought Italy was poorer than Spain, but it wasn't. I was like, what? I thought Italy was really poor. I mean, it is still really kind of poor, but like compared to Spain, I thought it was quite considerably more. EJ buys above 138049. 138049. Yeah. That'd be kind of nice. But I still think there's opportunities to get some trades in this range. Potentially.
What do you think about EAs?
About EAs?
Yeah.
I mean, I think overall, I think it's probably not there yet because, you know, I think if I had an EA and I knew it worked, why would I give it to anyone else? I think. Well, does that make logical sense? Let me just think. So, if everyone else did it, then would the markets change? I mean, no, not really. There's still so many people. But
Yeah,
I don't know. I think
actually hate to share strategies that work, right? Because it's that selfish inner person, right?
Yeah, I think for me, it's just the lack of the consciousness of to see like what like we can see like, oh, it's rejecting here, or it's a bit like struggling in this area, you know, let's just get out. They don't have that. Like it doesn't do that, right? It's just plainly solely on what it's looking for. So I don't think it's there. I don't think it's probably there yet for a while. But I don't know, Scott. I'm ready for Scott to send me his over and I can try it out.
Don't worry, there's a long queue.
There's a lot.
Yeah, you're about 10th in the queue.
He sent me a screenshot of his like fucking gold chain. He's like, holy shit, you took a look at a gold chain. He goes, no, it's EA. I'm like, nice. Yeah, I'm 10th in the queue. That's great. Fucking 10th in the queue.
Yeah, check the Telegram. I send a link to my FX book.
Oh, I also realized Payback FX is my FX book.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I got paid. I got paid by, you know, Payback FX, and it was under my FX book. Oh,
is this it's an EA?
Yeah, it's an EA account, this guy. He have multiple accounts. You can scroll down.
Let's take a look.
That's the bottom.
568. Oh, okay. So this is monthly. Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Scroll,
okay.
Scroll. Yeah.
Look at that. That's actually been doing for a while now. So let's just take a look.
Yeah. Scroll down. Scroll down.
Oh, so scroll down. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. Here is some multiple accounts from him.
Oh wow.
I found an account. Let me see. From 2020.
So that from August to December, and that you would have made like 12%. 17, 11, 20. Interesting.
The 100k challenge. It's a demo account.
Yeah.
It's from December 2020.
Interesting. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at it, but I just don't think it's there. Yeah, I mean, if it gives you a little bit of gain, then great. I think it's just, is it worth it or not for the time being. So is anyone taking any trades yet? So for me, this GJ's got to close, but for me right now, I'm not gonna lie, it seems to be struggling a little bit. So I'm not really the best pleased with this right now, to be honest with you. So we'll see.
I found him on Instagram.
You took an L here? What did you do, Joey boy? What trade you take? All hail gold. All hail. Nice. Let's take a look at Goldie now. Yeah, it's just back in the range now. I think that move's been done for both sells and buys, which is good. EJ, as I said, it's came back a wicked and it's retraced all the way. So I think maybe sells could be interesting. Yeah. Would you be happy to take sells here? I think I'm only going to wait below here. 163, 250.
I'd have to wait to see what the candles give. Because again, also I've got let me just annotate. You can leave your chart there, it's fine. I've got a bit of a trend line here, right? So price could come back down here.
Close it below.
This is enough for a trade, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, we'll do the simulation session at like 10. Get all started with all that again. Sash and Brad, did you guys feel tired after your day?
I'm used to it because it's a long day, but it's a lot. Like you gotta speak a lot. You gotta reply to a lot.
Today I've just been fucking zen.
In a big group saying, "Oh, signals," and they're like, "Oh man, I'm sure you've seen Max's away," and it's like it's just admin, man. It's just it's nice being in the back corner,
relaxing,
snapping trades, you know.
I've got tunes on, got my feet up.
And imagine straight after this, you have to edit a video on Instagram, which takes, you know, you have to edit video, you have to write the post for it, then you have to go and probably have some fucking water before you pass out, and then you have to go do an hour simulation. Then you have to go and think about the webinar, what you're going to write for that. Then you need to go and do NY session. Then you finish NY session at 2. Bro, you're fucking knackered. I'm telling you, you're fucking knackered. I'm running mine up though, man. We're going to do like 3 simulation sessions a week. Fuck it, why not? Why don't you just blow me out?
We said yesterday the next Oaks are Jason and Scott. They're going to team up. Scott said he's amped. He can't wait.
Really? How creased.
We need a Scott sim on how to build an EA.
Yeah. There it is. Is it a celery play on GJ or not? Yep, it was.
The 5 minute is a proper celery play.
I think. Yeah. So when this actually pushed up, I actually took a buy, and that's why I knew it slipped.
Oh shit!
I was wondering how the fuck can you see it slipping?
Because the little dotted line was above price. That's why he was a snake.
So I wanted to get in at 608, and I got in at fucking 625 or 63. So yeah, and then I just put it at break even, but yeah. I just thought maybe the volume might be able to catch it, but yeah. And the reason why I didn't get in on a break at this high here, 580, was because of the fact that it didn't break the highs yet, and I'm worried that it comes here, taps this area, rejects, and fucking launches. I'd rather get in the break of the highs, but that would have worked out if you got it in the celery. Holy shit, it is hotter here than it was in Spain. I am fucking sweating my ass off right now. Mate. I need to go in the shower straight after this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna peel my ass off this chair.
Dashan sends me a picture yesterday of his little desk fan. I started laughing.
Mate,
well,
it was too hot.
Degrees and you start melting. We our summer's like 45 and we like still going out.
But it's the house
humidity. I'm in a brick house. I'm in a brick fucking apartment block. I'm sweating my ass off. And also, it doesn't help that I've moved my setup all the way over here, and now I had a extender cable thing with like 6 plugs. But it's not long enough. So I went to IKEA a couple weeks ago and I bought another one. I bought 3 for some 3 plugs for fucking retarded reason. So now I've got my computer in it, my 2 monitors, but I can't fucking plug in my fan. So I'm fucking sweating my ass off.
What was it? Is it?
It's a good fan as well. Look at this shit.
First world problems, eh?
Turn your
Look at
Zoom
this.
camera on.
Look at this. Oh shit! Sorry.
You guys would actually melt then if you came to SA.
Yeah, they've got
no, but your house is a brick of fucking stupid wood.
No, because
your house is made of brick.
It's because I go to India in like 45-degree heat, and this feels worse than that.
Yeah, exactly.
So like, it's because of it's the humidity and the houses. Trust me, it's 10 times worse.
Oh, I can't fucking show.
It's breezier in like.
I was fucking more breezy. I have the sweatiest balls right now, and the whole time I've been on holiday, right now in this chair. And if that's not saying something, if I'm not in a fucking trade, then I don't know what it is. Oh my god. Imagine being in a trade that wasn't working, and I'm fucking sweating my ass off in this room. Oh my god.
You should come to Durban. That's like 100% humidity, 32 degrees.
Have a look on the Telegram. That's what I've got. It's wicked, man. It's like a little air conditioning unit.
Can you put like ice in it and shit?
Yeah, you put ice in it.
I'm gonna have to get one of them fucking things.
Then SA's not so bad. We just buy proper aircons and go have them installed by people.
Yeah.
People come back after them
and then Escom
have a beeping noise.
Playing with cool little tech gadget desk fans.
Mate, this thing was fucking purchased, man. 20 quid? Ugh. Fucking shining right in my face. Yes.
Not
Mate,
that
I'll send you a picture now, Brian. Fuck, I'm sitting with my fucking top off, feet up, fan on my face.
Took the trade on the break of the high. Wait, where did you get? Where did you get in? Oh, you mean the break of the low? Oh no, sorry.
No, that's a key level 163.
Yeah, break that high where it has no top wick. I just got absolutely clapped. As soon as I entered, it just came down and stopped me out.
What time was this at?
It was early, bro. It was.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a bit too early. I didn't even realise the news was out as well. I didn't check. And then
yeah, I think a little feedback on that. I'd say, yeah, exactly. The news, that's one thing where it could be ranging. And also, you know, you're dealing with candles in the 50-minute here that are so small. There's no volume, right?
You need the confirmation candle on that one.
No, exactly. As soon as I took it, I was like, that was a fucking stupid trade.
That's alright though. As long as you.
This was good. If you waited for support to take right at this key level.
Yeah.
There's a good confirmation. I just don't know how big that would have been. Then you could have had a stop right under structure.
Yeah.
It's a bit too early.
You should have just waited to see what this candle does at 163. Then you would have seen, oh, we're getting maybe some bullish pressure, then a closure, then you check your SL, then that could have been a good buy, right? You wouldn't have known because of the wick. I didn't go for it because of the wick.
Yeah.
But I obviously seen the 163, I got the support, I got the engulf, but it's the wick rejection threw me there. That one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I should have just waited for a stronger close at that level, and then that would have been
because you've also broken above a key level, right? So if you needed to go up more, you need support.
Yeah, exactly, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one, guys.
So 40 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close bearish. Interesting. I mean, if this 50-minute closes bearish, yeah, it'll also be the 30. So yeah, I'll wait for that. I think that'll be pretty good. Breaking the lows of the previous. Interesting. How much did you stop to be in the current? 10 pips. 10 pepperoonies. But I'm going to wait for a confirmation, right? I'm going to wait for the 30-minute to close bearish. I think that'll be much easier for us. Much easier. NT5's frozen? Oh, mine's okay. Mine's okay right now. Mozambique is worse, bro. Yeah, but like your houses, to be fair, I don't know how your houses are built there, to be honest. It's just the houses are built to keep in warmth because we're in a cold fucking country. So when it's hot, it's just, oh my god, it's painstakingly bad. Ooh. How much was this? Stops are massive, yeah. Stops are gigantic.
Seeing what the weather's going to be like on Monday. I think it's like 34.
No, oh my god. Oh,
you get another little desk fan. One on each plug.
I need a fucking plug. I'm gonna have to buy I'm gonna have to double whammy desk fan with it. I'm gonna need 3 more plugs. Shit.
Aim the desk fans under your pants and get the
yeah.
Mount it
right
on
your
the
nuts.
Go on, GJ, get down, boy. Don't take that break of the low there.
Yeah.
Maybe you.
Nah, I didn't, I promise. 12 minutes left for this closure. We could get the nice little cells. Coming back into the Asian highs, so it's going to swoop in the highs over here. It should fill the zone up nicely. It's 163 first, then 162, 800. Reports say that Monday could be the hottest day in the UK ever. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I am
34 degrees.
No, 40 degrees.
Probably like 28 with high humidity.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
So humid, guys.
Hey, Australia is fucking cool as shit right now. All my friends are there. All my friends are there. Through summer they said, it's chill here. It's not that hot. You know, it's pussy behaviour.
Yeah.
Of course not. It's winter over there.
No, they've been there since summer.
Okay. If you come here in January, it's pretty cool too.
Yep. So we'll see what we can get over here. Be a nice GJ. 15 degrees in Oz. Oh, beautiful. That's the thing. You know, living in a hot country would be nice and stuff, but yeah, it is the sweat on my face all day. That's annoying.
Yeah, but after a while you get used to it. The problem we have here in Europe is it gets very hot, very sudden, and not for a long time, so you have no time to adapt.
Yeah. Oh my god, look what Tom said there. You don't know what hot is while you walk in Iraq desert with full army gear and you get in a firefight and you need to run and hide. Oh my god. I can't believe you guys do that shit, man. I'd be the biggest pussy in a war. I'd be fucking sitting there like putting my fucking white little feather flag. Nah, fuck this shit, guys. I feel like I'm sorry. I'm the biggest pussy in the world. Just fucking shoot me. Fuck that. It's mad. I've always wondered. I think I've already said that. Like, what is the brain? Like, what is the brain thinking when they want to join the army? Is it for passion? Is it for love of the country? Like, it's gotta be something.
It's gotta be love.
It's gotta be something. But it's not for me. I'm telling you that right now. I think I could pass the army thing though. Like, a lot of my friends who've done it, and I'm fitter than them. Even with my big rig, I'll still fucking outrun them. Can be for the love of your country who loves the UK. Exactly, that's what I'm saying though. Some people do, man. Some people do. AJ's looking alright. Seen it. Hourly time frame goes bullish. The 4 hours just flipped. I mean, it's 4 hours. Clean 4 hour zone to the left. This 30 minutes about to close. Look at the 15. Interesting. Someone eyeing up this AJ? Roche eyeing up this AJ? I know you're an AJ fan. I wonder where that Farhad guy went, because he was really good at AJ.
Well, I'm looking at it. 15 minutes looks quite clean to like 93, 100, or 70 actually.
Yeah. How much would you stop speed if this closed here? 11 pips. We'll see. I mean, it's 8 minutes left though, which is a bit annoying. I love the UK, but not that much.
It's so confusing because GJ's going down.
Yeah, I fucking hate it when it does that.
That's what threw Max's AJ trade that one day.
Yeah, that one day where it was actually a stinker, and it's because GJ put me off. Because it wasn't like GJ was just like ranging; it was fucking dumping. No, sorry, it was flying. And I was on AJ side. I was like, oh mate, of times I've seen this follow. EJ, the zone's pretty ass, but I mean a closure below 137, 450 would be okay. But there's the wicks to the left. It's not the nicest area. If you look at the hourly, it's also hourly rejection wicks. Yeah, this is no go for me on EJ. Also coming into this area, guys, where the 4 hour and the daily flips have different biases here. Okay, so the 4 hour right now is bearish, the daily is bullish. So contradicting higher time frames normally mean it's a little bit harder to take trades in because they can't decide where price is going to go, right? So it's probably best to leave it until they both coordinate together. That's another reason why I have the 4 hour on the daily flip. Shows if they're contradicting or not. Go on, GJ. Last 6 minutes, boy. Get your fucking ass down. Get your ass down, boy. 163, 250. Joining US Army or police force is life-threatening. Scary. Morning, mate. Good to have you back. Did you trade from your phone whilst on holiday? Yeah, so I couldn't join the group trading here because Sasha was using my login. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to have a good holiday. I can't be arsed to look at the charts all fucking day like Don did. Well, Don does kind of the same. So all I'm going to do is look every single half an hour on gold and take a control FX trade. And I did that for 4 days straight. So it was beautiful.
Yeah, so you took gold, eh?
I just took gold. I just looked at every
were big, eh?
My stops were not actually that bad. They were like 25
Okay.
pips, 25,
that's fine.
and I was getting 10, 15 pips from them, and you know the win rate of it is so high. So I'm happy. I was happy just doing that.
Yeah, because on the app you just got to actually take. You got to take and run, right? You got to.
Yeah, man. I just when I went to like 10, 12 pips, I was like, right, okay, let's just close up. There was one that I held on for a little longer, and it went to like 20, to like 18, 20 pips, and I closed a little bit there. But yeah, I mean, the good thing with Don is that it is every half hour, right? He doesn't trade in the 15 anymore. So I was like, right, you know what? I can go in the pool here. I can read a bit more book. Half an hour comes, right? Take a nice trade, nice little fucking trade on my small account. Beautiful. Pay for tea tonight. You know what I mean? Like it was quite enjoyable actually, and it's so easy as well. And the good thing after it was, so when I took the trades, what I would do after is look at Don's stream after I took him and did I take the same one? There was one trade that he didn't take and I did take, and it worked out nicely actually. I think he pushed it out of it.
We spoke. I think there was one that he didn't take because the zone like moved, and then the news came, and he was like, I don't know who was watching it at the time, but I think that was the reason that he didn't take that trade. That day.
Yeah, there's one that was on the break of the previous 15 lows, I think, or 30 lows, and he didn't do it, and I did it, and it worked out nicely. So it was just quite a relaxing thing to do. It was quite enjoyable when you're not at home. Goldie for me now is it's right at support now. I think the moves have been done for Goldie. I'm just gonna keep an eye on GJ right now. 3 minutes left. Oof. We'll see if we can get a nice little top wick because that'll make the stop for me. And then yeah, untested area would be. Oh, I kind of tested it there. It doesn't matter. 15 it would be there though. So we'll see. So closing back in the Asian zone, so it should fill this Asian zone up if it closes. Hello, can you tell me the name of the indicator and how does it help you? Asian range, Nico 948. It just shows me where the Asian highs and Asian lows are. So normally when we break above Asian highs and reject it and close back below, we don't want to get a nice drive to fill the zone up. As you're seeing right now. Right, relax, GJ, please. If you withdraw from your account, you pay any fees? Nope, free. If you're paying fees, it's a fucking bullshit scam. It's not nice for them to fucking do that. It's free. So I wonder, did DC take that? Did DC take that trade? Did he hold it on, or what did he do? I know he got in a little earlier than 8 o'clock. What does a fill a zone mean? It means, you know, the candles are gonna push and fill this area. So like, how else could you explain that? Push into the area.
Yeah, fill. It's the right word.
Yeah, fill, like filling your cup, like you're just filling it up. Oh, government. Nah, I think he means withdraw from broker, I think. But yeah, if it's government fees and gotta talk to your accountant. GJ, just fucking relax for 2 seconds. Thank you very much. With a 5 minute now. So retracement back to like 356 would be quite nice. Resistance, it could even be at 300 to be honest. You eyeing these up, boys?
Ooh, tasty.
Tasty. Ah, I'm so sweaty, holy fuck.
Soup kitchen is open.
You what?
I'm saying the soup kitchen is open.
The soup kitchen.
It sure is.
Everything's fucking super. Super.
It's winter. We need that soup.
I'm cooking up. I do not want a soup on this fucking hot room. I need a fucking iced latte. Holy shit. I was going to the kitchen this morning. I was like, why the fuck am I gonna make a coffee? I am gonna be literally dripping on stream. Like, we're gonna buy or sell GBP. We're going to sell. GU soup? Or did they just have one?
Yes, sir.
I'll fucking close, you dozy cunt. Not with a no lower wick, please. I told you, it's because I'm back. I'm fucking telling you.
I've missed it.
The one fucking candle. That's okay, right?
So it's good.
Just now make a nice top wick, please.
Yeah, please.
To welcome Max back.
Suck a dick, you fucking prick. Told you. It's got time. Get the fuck back up over here. 273.
How's this even possible?
I told you! The fucking markets hate me.
Okay.
Has that happened to you guys this year? This last week. A closure like that and no fucking... To be fair, it's got time. I like it to come back up to like 250.
Can I just be honest? So this was my plan. I was like, okay, Max is back, so now I need to change the way I'm trading. I shouldn't wait for any closures or top picks and whatever.
Yeah, just fucking take it. I was eyeing up that break of the low there, I'm not gonna lie, but it was a bit aggressive.
Yeah, no, I did that.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Here we come.
Okay. Break of the low or the flip? I want it to come a little bit higher first, to be honest with you.
Remember, daily 4 hours body shape. Don't forget.
Bro, this is fucking turtle soup. We take this trade all the time. And the 4 hour flipping with us, so it's perfect. It's what we trade. Go up higher, little pussy. Come to fucking 256, please. Then we're gonna be good. There's a small bottom wick though, that's okay. Break of the lows may have to be the outcome. I really want it to come higher, to be honest with you. To 246. Looking like it's gonna go. I think if I got in here, the retest would piss me off, so I'm just gonna have to wait a little longer over here, guys. To 270. Down. If you look at the 30, 30's just open as well. 27 minutes left, so we shall see. Soup list is wrong. Anyone getting on the break of the lows? Bryce, Sash, Roche? What you doing?
I got in on the flip.
Yeah, 100%.
Break of the lows.
Yeah.
Should be good now.
Should go to 163.
Yeah, boy. So, let's see. Let's take a look at the 15. So if you got in on the flip, you could just run at 11 pip stop, I suppose.
Has anyone got a gap on IC?
Yeah, I got a gap. Bud.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, I couldn't really call that, guys, but I'm in right now.
I like it.
I got in spontaneously on the 100 level.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a little bit hard. I wanted to come a little bit higher up.
That's
Good job.
Good job, boy.
Yeah, boy.
I was scared to trigger that one because I just took the pound USD one. I was like,
I'm stop loss break even right now, but I haven't hit 10 pips yet. I got a little late.
I'm taking mine actually at the 163. It's enough for me.
Good job.
Which one there?
Small
Sash? Bri? What are you talking about?
163 key level, so I'll just let it run. A small runner is in now, obviously. Mine.
163.
I just closed full on 10 pips.
Good lad. This London session is rigged. Rigged.
Oh, beautiful man. Turn your camera on. Can't see your pretty face.
It's on YouTube though, and you can barely fucking see it anyway with this absolute glare and a half.
Does it not work on Zoom?
Well, no, if that's not on, no. I can do this, but you guys, you can't really see it. I don't think.
Nah, that's alright.
Break even hit? Yeah, I got break even, lads. Yeah, I got in at 100. I wanted to get in here, but I was worried about this top wick. To be honest with you, I really wanted this top wick to break, to come up a little bit higher over here, to retest this resistance, and then to drive. So, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. So easy, kind of. I mean, the setup over here is beautiful. Entry was a little bit harder, I'd say. The top wick wasn't as aggressive as I'd want. But if you take a look at the pictures over here, this is all it was. Closure back in the zone. Look at that 4 hour as well. 15 close below. Made a top wick. Continued. I just wanted my top wick to be a little bit more aggressive. A little bit higher up. Because I think recently I get in on the break of the lows here. Well, that's actually it was the new current low. And then we make a steeper wick, so I just wanted to be safe at the start of this.
Did you take anything off your position, or?
I got it. Nah, I got in at literally 100. I got in there.
So it's a bit lower, yeah.
Yeah. I got in. I saw like 6 pips on my screen, so yeah, like that. Oh yeah, boy. Let's look at EJ. EJ's still there, still chilling. Let's take a look at gold. Kind of want to look at gold over here.
40 pip. Stinker.
Oh my god, look at that. Oof.
Nah, I actually left gold. I didn't get in gold.
Yeah, it's not looking too nice right now. Look at the 30-minute.
No
Oh,
closes.
that 30 minutes looking scary. Yeah, guys, I'm not going to update the trades taken because I didn't call them out. I just took them on impulse. So someone asked before, Max, would it be better to wait for the hourly to close to confirm? And it's like, you know, I think once you see this happen again and again and again, which we have fucking millions and billions of times, this is why. Can you see how many people took this trade? I didn't call this trade out, but can you see how many people took this trade in the chat? Like, it's fucking loads. And the reason why is because they're getting the confidence, because they've said so many times that if you get a closure below and a top wick and a break of the lows, you're probably going to continue bearish. Why didn't you say you were entering? Because I got in at 100 and I was just impulsively. I wanted to get in here at 150, but I didn't like this top wick, so I was like, right, I'm just going to get on the break of the lows. And I didn't have time. You need to remember, guys, I need to get used to calling signals out and writing them here. I've got fucking 30 million people asking me, so
We need to
don't
figure
worry
out
about
the
it.
system and doing it quickly.
I know. Well, yeah, it's mainly to be honest with you, it's mainly for the fact that yeah, exactly. I have to write the thing, which it was ready to go. It's mainly the words, man. Speaking the words when GJ's fucking pumping down is actually quite hard. Guys,
When it starts to go, it goes, mate.
Because the issue I have is I don't want to do a certain streamer, which I'm not going to say the name is, but I don't want to go, right, guys, I'm in a trade now when I'm already up like fucking 7 pips. I'd rather just say.
Yeah, that person normally just shows their phone terminal, right? Yeah, we know that.
You know what I mean? So like, I don't want to be like up like fucking 5 pips, which I was at the time when, you know, and go, oh guys, I'm in a trade now. It's like, well, what the fuck, Max? You know, why in the fuck didn't you tell me? Like, I'd rather just not say it and just go, you know what, I'll just leave it. If it's, you know, if it gives me time to do it, then obviously I'm going to give it to you guys.
I think GJ might run in the long term. It's coming down again. I just saw something on the 4 hour. That's a break and retest of a trend line in the 4 hour.
Mm-hmm. See,
So
look at the
I'm
4 hour.
thinking, because the 4 hours started to flip now.
Mm.
So we take it from the bottom there, no, even lower.
Where you draw, my boy?
Can I?
Yeah, you can draw.
No, it says I can't open whiteboard.
It's not whiteboard. It's annotate.
What are you saying, Rashay?
So from the bottom of that 4-hour low, they're in the middle of the screen, somewhere there.
Oh, here.
No,
you
at
have
the
to
bottom
zoom
of
out
the
a bit.
screen. Yeah, zoom out a little bit. So there, at the middle of the screen, in the bottom.
Yeah, I'll draw it just.
More lower.
Like
This one. This one.
Yeah,
No,
a bit
like
lower,
this.
like from that lower wick there, that red candle
There.
there.
Oh,
Yeah.
there. Okay.
You pull that up there, and then
Ah,
that 4-hour
yes.
candle
Yeah.
that we are currently in now is the no, even steeper. And then that 4 hours the retest of the trend line.
Oh, like that. Above it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah. Get you.
Basically.
Get you.
Very nice, yeah. Catch you in Bali. We should do that, man. That'd be fucking sick.
Could you imagine? Could you imagine?
Mate, well, thing is though, because I'm on holiday, guys, you'll have that fucking trader's luck. So we will all be on our screens like, fuck, I'm on holiday.
It's already booking his next trip.
That's what we'll do. We'll rig the system. And we'll all be
Yeah.
on holiday, but we'll all be trading in the fucking holiday pad.
Big mentorship house.
Yeah, the mentorship house. That'd be fucking sick. That'd be wild. Imagine like a room. Like imagine like you brought all your PCs and shit. And we're all in like one fucking room. We're all fucking trading. Everyone will be like fucking behind Brian, like looking at his fucking 5-minute trades. Like, I'm fucking taking a trade. Let me run back and take that fucking trade.
I said
He'd be
I made
fucking
a joke
stream
the other day.
sniping.
I said to Sasha, I want to be that oak. Like everyone's buying and I'm selling.
We're all fucking. We're like shit. Oh, that'd be fucking great, man. I can picture that shit. You've ever done that? I did that at uni in third year. I got all the lads in the house, 7 lads, brought our computers and shit all down to the living room and just played fucking CS together like in a massive room. It's fucking sick. It's so fun.
Oh, those are the days. I remember when I was 14.
Fuck off. 40. Mate, you've been eyeing up buying a fucking Lego. Shut the fuck up.
Ryan with the sneaky comments.
Yeah.
Dude. Interesting. Huh?
You were such a good confluence there. So just around the 15. So because you were back, I knew we weren't going to get the closure.
Yeah.
This is my third process on this trade. Now I'm serious. I'm just being serious. So untested south. So
Yeah.
close above. Close below. Close below. Close below. So when this candle opened, it came down, pushed, and I was like, okay, I'll take the break of these lows. Stop loss at resistance 9.5 pips. And
Yeah.
this thing-
Moses, are you here?
Yeah, I took the same there, Jason.
He's an heavy.
Yeah.
I fucking asked all three. I asked everyone, is anyone in these break the lows? I fucking said that. And never...
I didn't hear that.
I didn't hear it until it hits 10 pips and you fucking hear it.
It didn't hit 10, it fucking hit at 40.
I know it did. That was fucking tight. Did you? Because these are clean candles at least here. 163,280.
Yeah, so there's untested south. So
Yeah.
broke.
That was nice.
That is
Should be listening to Session all week. How he speaks.
Yeah, sorry, man.
Yeah,
Untested.
everyone's got the south, north.
Untested south. Nice. Is that untested by? Oh.
Yeah, so if it's below, I put untested south. If it's north, I put untested north.
Ah. I get it.
That'd be a good. Moses, send the Asian one in, because that was a good comparison to this one. Untested west.
It's untested west. Untested west coming. Fucking hell.
Yeah, we're in.
That's great.
I think you have.
Holy shit.
Let me check.
God damn.
God damn. So Let's take a look at EJ. Let's take a look at the the entries in EJ. Let's look on the 5. A 5-minute close below over here made a top wick. Maybe the break of the low. How much is that stop over here back in the zone? 10 pips.
Isn't Moses here? Hey, Moses was
Yes, I'm
this
here.
week. Yeah, his camera's off now with Max. Are you afraid of Max?
Are you afraid of Max? Oh man, I'm fucking sweating. Should I do a fucking topless stream, squad?
Yeah.
No, please.
With my big Spanish rig.
Holy- Man, I can barely see you.
I know, man. Don't talk about the light. It's because I ripped off the fucking blinds because the bits who was here before just absolutely ruined them. I can barely see you. Let's take a look and see what. Let's see what Black Dead. Oh, actually, that looks actually not that bad anymore.
Ping that open, Max. This is a good one.
Okay. Oh my god, my fucking balls are dripping so bad. This is painful. This is actually painful.
So,
okay.
So like if you compare it to the, so if he's trying to sell into the like zone below, right?
Mhm.
First of all, there's the wicks are there.
Yeah.
Second of all, the range isn't big enough to sell into it.
Mhm. Yeah.
See, like with Jason's one, he's selling in a bull trend, right? But he's selling with the range that's big enough for the untested south.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that he can go, but then this one you can see like the wicks are there. So as it's come up, it's formed support at the wicks, where the entry is. You see on the right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I
so
also
it's,
said to Moses about that one that you can see it's clear market structure is bullish.
Yeah.
Yes.
and then let me just ping you the counter trend we took the other day. Show you the.
Yeah, and this was only a 50-minute bearish closure, right? Whereas if you look at
The whole trend is bull. So
yeah,
it's
the whole
just gonna be a little stumbling block.
Yeah.
Open up Telegram.
I
It's
have
another.
rejections and closures below.
This is
buy
just
in.
there. Yeah. So this was the counter trend one the other day, but you can see the range was big enough to counter trend it up to the retest.
Yeah, yeah.
So as long as we get the range big enough for that line, you can trade it into it.
For sure, it's just when it's small. Yeah, for sure. It's all about the ranges, man. If the range is too small, then just don't go for it. There's no point.
Yeah, 100%.
Justin, I have one question on Jason trade. This candle is a bullish candle. How he could take that?
Yeah,
sell?
that's Jason's just
That's another
Max.
thing. It's fine. It's good that he's asking because the thing is, like you see Max's level, right?
Yeah.
We had this push, right? And you got resistance.
Okay.
What did you get? What did you get after that? You got this wick,
It has
which
to
called
come down.
resistance, right? So you would probably be looking for something like that on the lower time frame, M. But you can just impulse that low and use your stops above the resistance, not above the wick, because then you're in like 30 pip stop.
Yeah.
So you've got the push, right? You've got your area of concern, which you're waiting for. You got the first sign of rejection. You got the second sign of rejection. You got the third sign of rejection. You break the low.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sometimes the candle patterns aren't as pretty.
It's just also how you adapt to price quickly. You know what I mean?
We need
Also, Moses,
experience to take this kind of trades.
if you look to the left, Moses, when price tapped that area, what happened? Just shrink it in a bit. What happened? We came down. Down. Like the price tapped that level, we came down.
Strong.
Just what it came down. Eventually, we tanked down. So for me, that was also another. I took it as a key level. You know, I'm like, hey man, we're rejecting this area just like it did in the past.
Yeah. That's
So
a good.
that
That's
was
a good
also-
point because if this wasn't here, so let's just say that this wasn't here, then you'd be a little bit more cautious. You'd probably wait
Then
for the
I'll-
sales below
Yeah,
here.
100%. 100%.
Yeah.
This was like a fucking double soup.
Yeah, there was a lot of confidence for a quick short there, for sure. You never know you're going to get 40 pips out of it.
Yeah, 100%.
That's the bonus.
So yeah, so it's good to. it's good to just now and then just get that tunnel vision in. And like now, even with that trade, I muted my PC and I was stuck just because gold looks so shit. I muted you guys because you guys were talking a lot of shit, and then I muted you guys. And I was saying
coming from the shit talk.
And then, yeah.
I love that.
The disrespect. Fuck.
Guys, you guys were talking haram stuff. You were talking about shit that doesn't interest me.
Wow, like my fucking sweaty balls in this chair.
You better go stingy, you.
Oh, mate, this room is not a vibe. I'm fucking dripping.
Mate, you need to pop to
So
fucking
hot.
pop to fucking Audi. They must have like a fan or
These
something.
fucking head. I've got a fan. I just need a fucking plug.
Mate, go fucking get another plug, get another extension.
I know. Yeah, I am. I'm going to Amazon straight after this and buying one.
Don't overload the circuit, eh?
Oh, I'm fucking overloading the fuck out of it. How many plugs you meant in for like that shit? Because sometimes I rock like fucking.
It's fine.
The thing that I don't do, because I think it is a bit haram, is having a fucking extender lead and then an extender plugged into the extender. That's fucking. That's literally a firework ready to happen. Like. I've seen some of my mates do that. I'm like, oh nah, man, an extender in an extender. Oh.
Those boxes that you put your multi-plug in.
Yeah.
That if it causes a fire, then it like
Surge protector.
Yeah.
If you, they're a bit more expensive, but if you get a surge protector, nothing's gonna blow up on it.
We've also got cool stuff in third world country, okay?
Nah, man. Nah.
Yeah,
Fuck that.
so we got the actual surge protector that you plug into the socket outlet, and then we also have like the plug top that you can put on an extension lead as well.
And we got aircons.
We got fucking aircons. I've actually fucking put my camera up in this beach. Fuck, Maxie, you see
Oh
this
my
fucking
god.
Jason's got the aircon on and a jacket.
Mate, I'm the same
25 degrees.
I'm the same fucking color of you right now. Holy shit. My lass got so pissed off my holiday because she was like, I tan better than you. I'm like, okay, let's see. Because bear in mind, I know I've been on a fucking tin can and I like winning. I like winning against anything. So I've been fucking nuking myself on the tin can before I even go on holidays. Like the first day, I was already fucking black. Like I was so tanned.
Did you drink a lot of sangria?
I sure did every day. We got fucking pissed the first night. I was drinking.
First night.
I was drinking so much. We got like 2 bottles of wine at the pool, no fucking water. So then, yeah, they got a little story here. So she goes, "Oh, Max, go get us a cocktail." So I'm like, "Okay, I go get a cocktail." This motherfucker at the bar doesn't stop talking to people, right? So he seems to forget his orders. So I go, "Hi, can I have a sex on the beach and a mojito, please?" This motherfucker makes these drinks. He makes the first 2. I go, all right, okay, nice. I make the first 2, amazing. Like, I need to pay now. And I literally went to him, I need to pay. Didn't hear me. Starts making more drinks, puts them on, and goes, okay, here you go. He ordered me fucking 6 drinks. Do you know the measurement size of spirits in fucking Spain? It is like it's like a quadruple every single one. Obviously, I just was like, fuck it, you've already made them. I'm just gonna pay for it anyway. So yeah, I proceeded to drink 6 cocktails. Well, 5 because Kaden drank 1. So yeah, I was pretty wasted by the time it was maybe 3 o'clock. So that was pretty good.
It's still
It's
making profitable
always
gold
that
trade.
first night. Always that first night.
It's always yeah. And I took the gold trade later on. It was great. It paid for it all.
You're like
gold.
Finn after 6 cocktails.
You what?
You're like Finn after 6 cocktails.
Yeah, man.
Interesting.
Goldie looks interesting on the 5, but man, the 30-minute looks like shit.
Yeah, for sure.
The hourly. Ugh. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, since you're gonna close there, it would be nice. It'd be nice for a little pull back there. Hey ho.
Yeah, I'm watching them.
The 15 didn't look terrible. It's just a Wick City, like.
Yeah, really Wick
That's
City.
why I wanted it above
Yeah.
structure.
This session is full of profanities.
Good morning, crazy guys.
Good morning,
Where does gold go
Good
today?
morning.
Where does gold go to today?
Is gold gonna go down?
Ah.
I love it. I love it. He's every day.
Your little copy of his accent there is literally spot on.
He's got 100% win rate on his gold analysis.
No, yeah,
Like
it's fucking
200 pip
sick.
moves. I'm like, fucking hell.
I don't give a shit about what you guys think.
No, we love it. We love it. We
We
love
love
it.
it.
Your gold analysis on the daily is pretty good. Pretty good.
Yeah.
I like. So GJ, I mean, in the next 30 minutes or so, yeah, maybe below 163. Yeah.
Nah, Eloy is next level. Eloy, you are next level.
Hey, but gold touch 21 or 22.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah, this is very good.
I love it.
Oh mate, if this, Jason, what are you eyeing up then here, my boy? You wanted to come back down over here?
Yep.
Yep.
Listen to those lips pop.
Like that.
For sure.
For sure.
Oops.
Yeah.
If it doesn't,
Oh my god! Are you taking that by now? Oh, I don't like that rejection.
Oh, Jay, what's stopping you now?
Oh, he took it!
I don't know. I was too quick.
Why was that so fucking quick? Holy shit. That came down quick. I didn't have time to even look at my fucking terminal for that bitch yet.
I didn't have time.
Jason is like a sniper in the gold.
Yeah, he's got a nice 50 cal for sure.
50 cal.
I didn't take that, man. It was too fast.
Yeah, it was quick that. It was quick.
I was in a quick pin purpose.
You have to be like fucking John Wayne. You have to be pulling trigger.
Yeah, Jason, Billy the Killer.
I don't trust
No,
GJ.
but listen, I have only my laptop here at work, so I don't have two screens to just. So I need to minimize you guys. I need to check my trading view.
That's mad. That is mad.
But there's your move.
There's your move. Wow, yeah, that happened fucking quick, man. That was nice. Give it a like, guys. Yeah, man. Make sure to like the stream squad. Let's ask some questions on YouTube, etc. We've been focusing on the good quite a bit here. I don't trust GJ. I bought it and put my stop in profit and put a sell stop at 162,980. 162,9. Oh, you took a sell. You put a sell stop there. I just, I mean, if you want to impulsive it, then for sure. But I think if you just wait for closure, it's gonna probably be quite nice as well. It's gonna be quite nice.
I'm liking AJ. I just need to close a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Sort of looks like it's standing still now. It's not moving at all.
Yeah. Look at the 30. 2 minutes left. Oh. Also for the hourly.
Holy shit.
Would you have got anything from that gold trade if you got in there?
Yeah, 13.
Really? 13? Oh my god, nice. I don't like the charts. Let's wait for NY. For sure, man. I like that. I like people just going, I don't like it. Let's just wait. It's nice to see. Oh, but I'm not gonna lie. I like GJ. Get back down, motherfucker.
Closure below that would be nice.
Yeah.
100%.
Minute left, so I have to wait another 15 minutes. I'm gonna have to go and fucking wipe my nutsack and also get a glass of water. Right, 2 minutes gone.
Can I have a bottle of water? Water without the tea, my bro. Water.
Okay, now.
The tea is in the throat. Can someone from the UK just pronounce the word water?
Water. There you go. That's for you. Water.
You say
What?
Say it.
water.
Water.
Water. Say it in a Bruce Lee accent. Water.
Water. Water.
Water.
Water.
I had an image. Let me just.
Is that water? Wil je meer vergiftig of zo?
Where's Maxi?
Finally got to cool his balls off.
He's lost control. He's lost control. He's gone.
He's nutty sweet because he's not as white anymore.
Big ice pack on his racing seat.
What are you fuckers talking about? Just saw the group chat, I was fucking hilarious. I am the captain now. I am the captain now. Okay, so gotta wait a little longer. The hourly time frame closed strongly bearish, rejecting the highs, so yeah, looks okay. When we get into a trade, if we get into a trade, it'll be 4 hour breaking current lows, so it's also nice. We'll see. Ooh, interesting. 15 just closed. It's gonna go. And EJ's just playing. Let's look at AJ. Did you get the close you wanted, Roche? Nah.
No.
Nah, a little bit shit.
Maybe the next 15.
Yep.
Oh, I missed it.
What, gold?
Pound USD. Oh.
There's been some nice moves on there.
We've got a pound USD trader again.
Yeah.
Ah, get him out! Get him out!
It's just like, just have it on, just there.
Do you? Max,
Prices are very low.
Do you? Let's have some questions in the YouTube chat. Everyone, let's take a look. Who took any trades this morning? Who took any trade? Did you take any trades?
So Max, are you typing in the YouTube chat? Are you on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah. Types in YouTube.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I must say, just to put it out there, I didn't miss the gulag. Fuck's sakes.
I mean, the gulag is very, very fun. I like it.
Yeah, they fun, but hey, man, I didn't miss.
God.
They probably didn't miss you either, to be honest.
Yeah, I just had to put it out there. Oh, I feel relieved now. You know. Like,
Don't worry, Gulag. I love you. I still have hope. I love you. Don't listen to him.
Let's take a look then. Let's see what people took in the chat. Let's take a look at what people took in the chat. Let's take a look at GJ now. Coming back up. Interesting. Owlie's making a top wick. Where would it retest? Well, probably there, right?
I think they are exactly there.
Yeah.
Sell the moods.
Hourly flip. Hourly flip. Let's see how it reacts there. Gold has a double bottom. Gold has, yeah, it's wick central, man. I'm just gonna wait for the sells later on, man. I know I'm gonna have a sell. I'm gonna have a closure below this area. I'm gonna wait for 30-minute close, wait for top wick and take 10 pips. I'd be happy with it. Will you take a sell if the hourly flips on Goldie? GJ, sorry, probably not.
so go. I mean, GJ, 15 minute. I'm seeing inverted hidden shoulder. Let me just.
An inverted.
Sorry, not inverted hidden shoulder. Sorry.
Come on. I was thinking, come on, boy.
Big shampoo.
I'm waiting now. Let's see what happens at this area. So we can.
Well, then you can get the hourly flip.
So that can happen.
Yeah. I mean, hourly flip could be okay. The only issue is that, yeah, I mean, I don't know. Anyone eyeing it up? I think it could be if you get the resistance rejection here.
Yeah. Obviously not now.
The only issue about it is that the hourly flip. Let's take a look at the zone. It's 16 pips.
Yeah, because also if you check on the hourly, that's a fake out. Broke above.
Yeah.
Broke retest. Yeah, anything can happen.
And the stop loss if you get in, like if it be here, it would be very, very strong if it would just reject it now. So your stop is in a nice place. If it holds this. Interesting. Do you not like it, Brad? You just want to close it below?
No, it looks good. It looks good. If we can get the right shoulder, then we'll get a nice big bearish candle, and then we can assess. Obviously, if support comes to 163 again, you know, if we've got like Jason said, we got that, right? This is going to come down, but if we get a closure here, there's a chance that this will be invalidated.
Yeah.
Well, that's why
163.
That's why getting in a little bit higher on the 1 hour flip would be
fair. There's no bottom wick. It'll be fucking.
Because this 163 just isn't breaking, right?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
But yeah, if we get another candle and then a break of the low or whatever, then yeah, it's worth a shot because it is a pattern that plays up.
Yeah. And where it's retesting right now is so nice. It's a big resistance on the hourly, so.
Yeah, but you'll have to go like to the 5, right, to see a previous candle.
Yeah, stops are huge now on the hourly actually.
Are you simming today?
Yeah.
Oh baby, he's back.
18 pips. Fuck.
Yeah, but you're obviously going to check the 5 as well to see what forms on the 5. On the 5,
looks like we're forming that shoulder now.
Yeah.
On the 5.
Yeah, but you still need the 15.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because now you have untested. On the 5 you have untested south.
Yeah.
Yeah, you react to that as well. Which is the 444, the 4 hour flip.
Yes, sir.
Near to 4 hour flip. 175 untested south.
Oh my god, my pits. Can we take the 1 hour flip if you want to, but the stops are quite big. That's the only issue. So 18 pip stops. So we're gonna look on the 15, see if we can get a closure, and maybe use that. We'll see.
Yeah, plus we were listening to some good music during London.
I bet.
Urban music.
The first day that I remember Sashin was like, I don't know what to play.
Yeah.
Yes.
Obviously on the first day it's always like that. But then, you know, we start getting comfortable with one another. Everybody is like just...
What do you mean comfortable? We had to phone you awake every day.
Really?
Max,
I had
Where's Jason? We'll just phone him online. Like, Jason, are you? Oh my god.
I phoned him while he was on the Zoom stream and he didn't even realise.
No way.
Yeah. Teamwork makes the dream work, Jason, eh?
For sure. For sure. Making these guys to war with me, Max. I love them. I love them.
Because you know we'll be there, right?
I love this game.
He uses
I
a
love
shield.
this game.
Check that area, eh? So I think we could now be reacting with the 1 hour faker. What's the time?
Yeah, and it's getting a retest, right?
Would you get on this 5 if it makes a nice top wick?
I don't think so. I think that's a bit too early.
Yeah, because then also, that'll be
We're
still 5 minutes after this
We're
15.
still forming that, right?
So 135 hourly flip is there.
How many pips is stop loss?
We don't know where the stop is yet.
Yeah, we'll need the candle.
We need to wait a little longer.
But is that a little bit bigger, maybe?
We'll have to see in the top wick. We'll see. Maybe like 15, 16 pips.
You go on the hourly, what's the size of your stop loss? 20 pips. Go on the hourly.
Yes, 20
You,
pips.
you had to get in on the right shoulder. What would your stop loss be? Massive, eh?
Yep.
Ah, it's too big. It's too huge.
It's too huge. Stop your killing me. What's the inside joke? I know what it is. I already know what it is already.
What's going on here? Hey.
Oh, God. All I know is I'm fucking tripping. I'm gonna take a fucking ice cold shower after this with this sim, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna plug one of my monitors out and get that fan spinning.
You not at least chuck it in like a corner of the room and let it just full blast it around the room.
There's literally one fucking plug in this room.
Fucking hell.
Well, I need to go looking. To be fair, it could be behind the bed, but I've got so much. Have you not seen this bed? It's a fucking shithole.
I can install some plugs. You book my flight and then
What?
install some. Just book the flight and I'll come install some.
Jason
Fuck that, Jason. I don't want an electric shock.
I like this guy's
fuck that, Jace.
I do that. Close eyes.
Close eyes. Please don't do that. That's the problem. Yeah.
That's great.
Are you guys gonna take this flip on the 1 hour?
It's looking okay. It's looking okay, but I just think I wouldn't take the 1 hour because the 30-minute you've got to run into a big wick, right?
Yeah, and the zone is quite. It's not the hugest zone. I think.
So you're ready from if you use the 30-minute high wick to the flip, it's 18 pips.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like closing below the neckline is also fine.
So I think I would like another 15 or 30-minute race. Then we can assess it ourselves.
Yeah. Well, it looks like this one's gonna probably close bullish. So.
Because now also you have a casement. You have a
closing bullish is in our favor anyway. Right?
Yeah, for sure. But I mean, like with this candle closing, we've tested the right shoulder. We are rejecting, so maybe a bit another bearish closure.
Yeah, but you still need an established right shoulder. That's the thing.
Yeah, for sure.
A wick isn't a shoulder.
Interesting. Interessante. Let me just go check out DC's trade. I want to see. How did he get in? I'm so 15 minute. It must have been on the 5, I think. Yeah. Did he manage risk? Yeah, nice. 7 pip loss. Beautiful. Interesting. We'll see what we can get over here. Maybe I have to wait until half. I have to wait another 15 minutes or so, 16 minutes, which means my shower is going to be pretty small. We'll probably just start the stream at the sim at 10:30. So.
Here comes the flip.
Yeah, I wouldn't take this.
Yeah, fuck that.
Nah, I got a sell limit, so I'll break even.
You got a sell limit? What?
Where did you put sell
there at the resistance there.
Wait, where's your stop?
I knew
I just did 10 pip.
Yes, I knew this was gonna be.
Jason, shut the fuck up. Let me speak. What?
Ritalin.
I just did a standard 10 pip stop.
Nice. Yeah.
And then I put the sell limit at 163.267.
Very good. Very nice.
That was tempting, man. It was tempting.
I was looking at it and seeing it like it's sort of respecting that zone, and I was thinking that's probably where we're going to make the 1 hour wick if we do.
Yeah. From from probabilities, right? If we can back up to that area for sure.
I think closer below your support areas. It's still because now we'll be closing below the neckline.
Yeah.
So
agreed.
Break below, retest, continuation cells.
We'll see. If we don't get it at 9:30, then I'm probably gonna leave it because normally it does have it at 9:30 if it wants to. So we'll see. We'll see. GG head and shoulders target 162, 260. 260.
Yeah, fair, but you got to get through 163 first.
Yeah.
It's a long-term target, sure, but you got to get through 163.
I don't know where he's got 260 from, to be honest. 260.
But he might use his, because there's some guys who use 200, 400, 600.
Yeah. That's a quarter. So. Really, yeah. That's true. 15 close bearish. We'll see if we can get a closure below here. So something like this is probably reasonable now. I mean, if you don't come back up to these areas, somewhere like this. Fill that Asian range, boy. Looks like bullish structure to me. If we break 163, however, I look for sells. Yeah. Bullish structure? I don't think it looks like bullish structure right now, to be honest. Hourly close bearish, 30 minutes bearish, 50 minutes bearish. Hourly's coming down. Looking like the hourly might work over here. So if you're going on the hourly flip, up like 7 pips, probably stop us to break even, especially in the zone you're in, and hope it can continue. Hope it can continue for you guys taking the hourly. Not me? Yeah, not me. I didn't take it. 162976 we need to wait for. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. 13 minutes left of that. Yeah, we're good. We're okay. Yeah, the stop was quite big, right? 18 pips. Oh.
Yeah.
I think for me, 16 right now is probably the breaking point. And that's reduced risk, really. Reduced risk. So overall, what do you guys think of this month so far? We are how many days in? 13.
Month has been good.
Yeah, it's been.
Start of the month has been
This
good.
month's
Too.
been alright.
Yeah, how is it?
Says this guy.
How's everyone else?
You're probably
been?
on your way to buy a money counting machine soon.
So DC is 6 wins, 3 losses. 6 wins, 3 losses. How much is Donny Boy? This kind of gives me a good kind of insight into what everyone's feeling.
I'm feeling great.
3 wins, 3 break-evens, 1 loss. So it's I think that's quite small for them right now. I think that's quite low. Now. We're coming down, boy. 11 minutes left. Got a lot of time, which is good. We'll see. We may just play in this range though as well, guys. So don't just always think, oh yes, I'm gonna take sell and get in early because we're gonna break these lows. Like just wait until it breaks the lows first and get to closure. Five win streak would have been out of Jordan if it wasn't half risk. Oh, nice. Moses, you've done very, very well with learning though. I'm telling you, very, very good. You put in a lot of effort. I see
Max,
that.
go check. I just sent on the Telegram now, on the chat. I've sent my journal for the month.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Flipping, Rashe's gonna buy a money counting machine and then a money gun.
Money gun.
Holy
The supreme money gun that you load all the paper in.
Is that your? Whose is that? Stats.
Rochette.
I think
Fucking hell.
I think Rocher is the person I want to be if I wasn't on stream, because I think you take a lot of trades where the stop sometimes isn't as calculated because you've just got like a 10 pip stop and you respect that this area is gonna hold, like the one before.
I'll only do that if I can see there's still momentum and like we've got a big chance of still continuing.
How big are your stops? Like average or what's your max? What's your normal?
On GJ it's max 14, maybe stretch it to 15, but that's about it.
Yeah. That's beautiful, man.
It's just the pip counts are very high because I took a few Nasdaq trades as well.
Yeah.
That's great.
Jesus Christ.
Beautiful, man. So let's go through this morning. So you got this one, Roche. You got that one there.
Yeah.
You got that one there. Oh shit. 1 second.
And he probably got those early buys.
Yeah, he first got the buy.
Yeah, I got the buy first, and then I got the sell, and then I took this one.
This 15 close.
Yes. Yeah, then I flipped and flipped. Yeah.
Were they stop there?
Yeah, with the current candle low, and then
holy shit! Holy shit!
Come to SA, boys.
Come to SA,
we built them
get some balls.
That's so nice.
Guys, we have guns to our heads on a daily. So
There's one thing I remember from Raja's stream way back when, where he said like you need to stay fluid in the market and trade what you see in front of you.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's why buys and sells are really like changing quick.
Yeah, so I had my buys. I saw it's running out of steam, and we're setting up for sales, and I closed it, and I waited for set up for sales, and then I took that again.
Beautiful.
You travel with the price. If it goes up, your account goes up.
Can you see that every single candle that he's entering on is normally has a lot of volume, right? You can see he's not entering on candles like this. He's not entering on candles like he's entering on candles like this and this and this. Big ass candles. 5 minute sells on gold. Let's take a look. Oh, I don't have gold with me. I think. Fucking hell, I'm still holding the resistance there for me. Oh, still holding the resistance. Mate, this is shit. Yeah, I can't be arsed. Look at that. So 7 minutes left for this closure. If we don't get this, then yeah, we'll probably have to wait until NY maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I wonder how people. Let's take a look over here. So 34% of people said yes, they took a win. 21% said yes, a loss, and 41% no. Nice. Nice. I think the one opportunity that I really liked was the break of the lows there, and I mean, I want this top wick to be higher, to be honest. But with volume, it worked out nicely, man.
AJ is breaking.
Oh, is it?
I feel like that. Hey, Roche.
Yo.
You're making us look cocky, huh?
Making us a what?
You make us look like we're slacking.
You're slacking, boy. Look at this 4 hour, man.
No, I'm just
36 minutes left. Interesting.
Max, did you see everyone loading pics of their trade history in the group yesterday?
No.
You just scroll up. It's actually like the worst thing to see because everyone's gonna say yes, these oaks are over trading, but like I think Scott put his EA in.
Yeah. Oh, I saw his EA.
Yeah. Go down. And then someone put in, and then I put my daily charge. Go down.
Oh, there, yeah.
And then the white one's my daily chart. Check below.
Oh my god. Is that all yours?
Yeah.
That's sick. That's
That's the
sick.
EA.
No, no,
But I-
that's Brian. That's the EA.
Yeah, but
That's on the hourly.
Yeah, mine's on the daily.
That's great.
What do you guys think of this, AJ?
Yeah, I want a nice thick ass closure, but it looks like it's probably gonna get that. So that looks pretty good.
Anyway, guys, I gotta leave now. Cheers. See you maybe in a while.
Yeah,
Welcome
boy.
back, Max.
Thank you, my man. I'll see you
Cheers,
later,
guys.
brother.
See you later, dude.
See you later, bro.
See you later, bro. Oh, the way it's fucking around here. Come on, 5-minute candle. Get the fuck up. To 93, yeah. Do, 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 do. 93 maybe. Good morning, Max. How was your vacation? Very, very nice. I enjoyed it lots. I wish I could stay there longer. But my girlfriend is skint. and I'm not paying for her. Because if you pay for them once, you pay for them forever.
Big prenup getting both.
She's a lawyer, to be fair. She doesn't get paid fucking jack shit because she's like the runt at the moment.
She's gonna tear that prenup up, boy.
Nah, I do help her out, but I do also know that if you be too nice and you do that, then they expect it, and then you fucked yourself. So I am.
Your partner. Is she not your partner? Do you not see a future?
Fuck off. I do, but they need to learn lessons that they can't fucking nick all my money. It's not happening.
Brilliant.
Yeah, I don't think I could be with someone who didn't work like proper, like that.
My wife will like hint now and then for like a little shopping spree or something, and I'll say, "What is yours all finished already, or what's going on?" She gets miffed. She gets miffed. I say, "Was a new car not enough?" He said, "Okay." He said, "Fine. You want to trade again?"
That's great.
But I agree. You gotta tell them how it's going. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The woman can get into a shopping spree, boy, and the next minute you're crying.
Yeah. She also, I mean, like, I've realized also being with her, like, some people obviously when they're younger don't get taught like finances, like financial kind of.
Yeah.
So like she has no idea what the fuck I'm talking about when I'm like asking her like, those things. I'm like, oh shit.
My wife comes from quite a wealthy family as well, so it's a little different. Where I came from nothing, right? So I've had to work hard for my stuff.
Yeah.
So I turn a dollar. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They just know how to spend them.
Yep. Break of the highs here. The only issue is it's Asian highs right there, and it's also 93.
You need to close her above
right there. Yeah. Let's take a look at the hourly. Both my mum and dad didn't finish school. I didn't get the best advice growing up. Yeah. I think yeah, my dad is completely switched on. Holy shit. He knows everything about everything.
Yeah.
If there's ever a question, fuck you, he'd know it.
Yeah, but that just comes down to like an experienced human. You know what I mean? Just
yeah. Yeah, well, no, some people don't need the some people just don't care enough to like learn things.
Yeah, fair.
Like, why does it matter? Like, why does it matter that my credit score's bad? Why does it matter that I, XYZ, you know what I mean? Like, some people just don't care. Like, Kate, like, my lass does not give a flying fuck. I'm like, nah, you should. Like, you will.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It's a little different when you do, you know what I mean?
Like, she's wanting me to move to London. Let's say this. She's wanting me to move to London. Obviously, it's expensive. It's like fucking 1,000, 1,500, 2 grand a month on rent each.
Yeah.
Right? And I'm like, well, can I just stay up here for another 2 years and buy a couple fucking houses and I can pay for it? And she's like, oh, well, why are you being boring? Like, what? Like, I'm trying to fucking make it so I've got a foundation so I don't have to fucking worry about the rent when I go down to London and fucking piss up my money. Instead, if you go down, you're going to spend all your money, you're going to be skint, and you're going to be complaining about it.
Yeah, no, for
You know
sure.
what I mean? Like, so, but some people don't think that way. Some people just want to live and not. But I'm like, I just kind of want to make it a little bit easier. You're supposed to provide, Max. Nah, man. Now, Caitlin's not like that as well. Caitlin's mum in their family she's the boss. She's the boss. She's the money provider. She's everything. So she's learned from that. So she definitely doesn't have those morals. Her mum's a worker.
AJ closed above.
Yeah. Broke the highs.
Get a nice wick. We could have a nice trade. Yeah.
How much would the stops be? 10 pips. Ah, that's worth it. No. So look at the 5 minute. That was the first 5 minute closure as well above. So look at GJ. So GJ over here on the 30 closed bearish, but hasn't closed below, and yeah. So the hourly would have played out. I think he would have got. Would you have got 10 pips? Nope. So yeah, gotta wait a little bit more over here. I think sells could be nice below here. Sorry, I should have it here or below 800 if I want to. So here. For buys, it would be above 163.575. Yeah, that'd be rather nice. I swear that this week never gave us a bottom wick or a top wick until skyrocketing. Really? Well, fuck. Normally I'm the one that brings that into the parties.
Yeah, we got everything, mate. Don't worry.
So, looking like AJ over here. Nice. So, I'll just say here now, stop us to break even. Did you get in?
Yeah, I got in there.
On what? The break of the high?
No, I took it old-fashioned way. It closed above and then I just took it.
Yeah. It's nice.
You take that as well, Max?
Nah, I didn't. I waited for a low wick.
I went as well.
I waited.
Fuck, it's getting hot.
10 pips. There we go.
Oh, nice. Jeez. Beautiful. Straight to 93 on the dot, boy. 90.
Clean.
That was clean, yeah. Nice 10 pip stop with the previous. I don't really like this, but it was nice, man. Let's look at the 30. 30 was class, man. Easy. Beautiful. So, getting into it again, getting in the swing of things. I wanted to take it easy today, and I have. Well, I mean, I took 2 trades, to be honest. Yeah, AJ Rocket.
AJ went. Did he get 10?
Straight to 93.
Yeah. No, I got 10. Yeah.
So, later on, we're going to be going through a simulation session. But as I said, GJ, just be careful in this area. I think now sells below 162, 804 would be rather nice. Buys above 163.575. What a bro! Oh, Dr. Dollar's in the building, bro. I just came off a holiday, man, in Spain. Let's take a look at Goldie. Oh my God, look at Goldie. Look at AJ, fucking beautiful. Straight to 93. So that was the trade here, just taking a straight closure. Bosh! See, look how that looks like in the hourly. So it's hourly break of the previous highs. Yeah, that was nice. Beautiful. The 5 minute closure here was beautiful as well. Ah, man, it's nice. So, yeah, for me this morning, I took 2 trades. I mean, I didn't call any out because they were all both impulsive. I didn't have time. But yeah, two trades. Went both around about 7-6 pips and then break even. What's up, bro? How was it? It was nice, man. I love Spain. Have you ever been? Have people ever been to Spain in here? Man, Spain is nice. And that average morning at 5 wins.
Yeah, exactly.
Class. Oh, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. We'll all do it. We'll all do it. All those trades, if you're aggressive, can take them, and for sure they all had beautiful ways to get in, get out. Stops were nice. Bloody gorgeous. So let's take a look then. So Goldie, as I say, I'm gonna wait for sells below, and this could be nice NY session if we break down lows. We're gonna go bulls deeper in them sells. Gold GJ, I'm gonna wait for anything above and below. EJ, same kind of thing. I think for me now, I'm probably gonna wait. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. 30 still holding that shit. Yeah, 30 still holding. And AJ was the trade there. Beautiful. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it off over here. Thank you so much for coming on. I'm gonna start the sim at 10:30 or 10:15, I think. Yeah, I think that's gonna be nice. I feel you, bro. Take aggressive sells on EJ. Yeah, I took aggressive buys on GJ. Yeah. And I got slipped a little bit, so I didn't get 10 pips, but it was good. So you guys, thank you so much for coming on, and we'll see you guys for NY session.
Thanks, Max.
See you later, boys.
Max.
See you later, boys. Peace out, man. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube. Thanks for coming on, and I'll see you guys later. Yeah, if you guys do want to join the mentorship, the link is right there. I'll post it right now. We're doing a simulation session in about 45 minutes to an hour. And then we've got NY later on. So if you guys do want to join that, there's the link there. And I'll see you guys later, man. Peace out, squad. Peace out.